That's too bad.
Greetings.
Hey, hey. I need to get used to that keyboard. Got used to a PC for Blender, but coding is something else. Oh, wow, that's a lot of people. Yeah, it's been 1 minute, don't worry. Forced to partake in 30 minutes commercial here. What? 30-minute commercial? What's that? Where? For the stream? What the hell? It's 3.js time. Hey, finally. Problem is, I'm coding on the PC and I'm really not used to it. Oh, by the way, I will send you the live version already. Oh, come on, I don't know. Where's the shortcut? No. How can I show on PC the terminal? I don't know. Command Shift C? No, that's not it. The shortcuts are not the same. I'm lost. What's the name actually? Console? Toggle debug console. Oh, Command Shift. Why? Why? Debug console. It's not actually the debug console I wanted. I wanted the terminal. Yike. It's so bad because I synchronized the shortcuts between my devices, and it's not the same between Windows and Mac. So that's totally useless, because if I change them here, it will change for Mac and it won't work on Mac. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, morning. It's more the afternoon here, but hey. Control plus, what's that? Control, where is it? Like it's, this one? Nah, it's not working. Is it a backcoat? Maybe it's a backcoat. Oh, the backcoats on the... Oh, that's an issue. Oh, the backcoats on the Windows. I mean, a Asiatic keyboard. Wait, I actually told my students how to do it. Oh yeah, that's it. Okay. Oh, you won't believe it's a U. U, the letter U, with the backcoat on it. Is that normal or what? Yeah. Yeah. If you click on File, then Settings, then Keyboard Shortcuts, you can filter the action you're looking for. Yeah, you can also press Command Shift P and look for the action. Actually, it was console. Alright, anyway. Let's create a new one. Git branch, where am I? Yeah, okay, this one. Oh, actually, I wanted to change something first, and it was the name of yeah, that. Let's call it just baked, because we will have only one baked texture and then we need to change it. Or is it in the assets? Yeah, so just baked this texture. Yeah, that's better. All right, so let's add everything. And same thing, how in the terminal, I mean Windows terminal, I think it's PowerShell. Yeah, that's PowerShell. How do you remove the line? Because usually it's Control U on the Mac terminal, but anyway. Bento update modern. All right. Was it main or master? Damn, I hate this change they did. All right, Git Push. I think the remote is already set. Yeah, it is. Okay, switch. Let's go back to the main and let's check on Versal. And as soon as it's ready, I'll give you the link. So yeah, here you go. Ta-da! So I did the baking offline because it took quite a while and it was just long and really boring. Actually, I used a quite high sampling value, and I just started during the night. And here you go. This is in WebGL. Look, all those details. So I see the keyboard. That's really the limit. Like you can start to see some interpolation in the color, but I think it's cool. The user should not be able to go too close. Maybe some like that. Or even if you can see some of the defaults, it's fine. Oh, too bad we can't see the Kojima mug much. Yeah, it's fine. I guess that's the best I can do with that much details on a 4K texture. So is it live or what? I will check the chat. Give me just one moment. Not yet. Let's wait. So yeah, good afternoon everyone. Escape, erase the line. Oh really? Okay, cool. That's actually better, I guess. On Mac it's Control U, which makes no sense. So yeah, escape. Control plus home to erase the line. Might be mistaken though. No, it looks like it's escape. Thank you. French keyboard, yep. Nightmare. Random question, but do you ever have issues with Chrome's autoplay setting not allowing certain things? If you're talking about videos, yeah, that's the way it works now. Chrome will usually prevent the video from playing if the video has sound. So you need to remove the sound or to have a user input, not really input like user interaction. The user needs to click somewhere or to press a keyboard key, and then you can play the video. They say it's for preventing like advertising and things like that, but trust me, it's absolutely not the reason. And you know why? Because there is one website that doesn't care about that. It's like the magic website that can play videos anyway, and it's YouTube. And do you know who is behind YouTube? Yeah, Google. If you click on a file and setting, then keyboard. Oh yeah, okay. Is Mr. Glocks here? Let me check. I don't think he's here. Not in the chat, at least. Me too. I mostly write in English. Yeah, see. Hey, Pratamesh, what's up? Am I saying your name right? Is it Pratamesh or Prathamesh? Mesh? Salamesh. We have a Pokemon in French that has kind of the same name. Yes, because in France we have different Pokemon names. What a nightmare.
Every country?
Yeah, I guess every country is maybe. Alright, so is it live or what? Yeah, it is. Check that. I'll send you the link. Here you go. German Pokemon. I actually saw a meme about that. They should have used English anyway, so that children start learning English. Because there are some good, I don't know how you say it, jeu de mots, word game. I don't know the English name. Yeah, why not? Actually, I had this idea of creating, it's kind of classic idea, but the inside of a Pokeball. Like a room for any Pokemon. Pun, okay. Pun. Pun? Probably pun. Ah, Shiba. Okay. Charizard in English. One. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. When you realize that, it's weird. It's not going to be the next project Pokemon Pokeball ID, because it will be kind of this, but with a different subject. Prata mesh. All right. Let's have mesh in my name. Yeah, that's actually cool. Prata object 3D. All right, let's move on. So next part is about, we have actually some small stuff to do, not too much. And I think it will be the end of this project, at least for now. Then I will use it in different usage, like to show my setup or things like that. But it will be for later because it's already so much work. We need to add a camera. I mean camera controls, because the default one, I'm using Orbit controls, but with Orbit controls you can do that, and it doesn't work really well, so I'm not happy with this result. We need to work on that. Coffee smoke, yeah, I thought it would be cool to add some smoke going out of the coffee. I actually never did that, and I think it might be interesting to do a cool smoke animation, like slow. Rotating chair, yeah, I think we can just rotate the chair, but slightly, like, I don't know, the wind is pushing it. Apply some wind on the plants, though the window is closed, I know, but I think we can still just move them slightly, should be enough. Google Home lights, yeah, we just want to add some light. There are 4 points there with different colors. When you switch it on, there is a small animation. I think we will add a very simple animation there. Oh, there's a girl screaming outside. Mode, I don't think we'll add modes between day and night, because we already want to animate the lights. I mean the lights, like backlights behind the TV, lights behind the desk and the screen. And what's that? Ah yeah, put something on the screens. Ah, should we do that already or what? Yeah, problem is I don't know what I will put there. I think it will be for our next project. Yeah. Oh, thank you for the sub, Maxence. Oh, so many people. 70. Damn. Motion is gonna be great. Yeah, we need to add some details. Too bad that the room is not very prone to be animated. Prone? Do we say prone? Yeah, probably. But anyway, I had to do my room, so not many. We don't have choice, but yeah, still, let's add some cool animation. Oh, thank you for the sub, Sengels. Is it Sengels? Okay, then let's go. I think we will just start a basic, how do you say, camera controls. Not too much. I think I will do like on the Three.js Journey. I can show you quickly. You can zoom in with the limit, zoom out with the limit, do that. And you can also press shift, I don't know if I will do this one, to move like that, but you can't go too far. Yeah, I think that's more than enough. Okay, let's go. So I have already this navigation. What can we do? Let me see. So to hide this one, first I can kill. No, I will keep it. It's control back. First it goes in. Okay, I get it. And to hide this one is control P. No, B. No. See, the shortcut didn't work. So I have one. Oh no, this one doesn't work either. Such a mess. A mess. Yeah. Having synchronized the shortcuts between oh yeah, there is one working, one of my shortcuts, but not the other one, because this shortcuts is focusing on this. Yeah, that's a mess. Will it be possible to put a video on the TV? Yeah, absolutely. It would be actually very easy. But I don't want to put a video just to put a video. Maybe if you have a specific idea. I think at the end, but not in this project, I mean in the future, we will put something about the chat. Maybe people that connect, maybe the best, the one that participate most. Which camera have you used on the Three.js Journey website? It's the usual, yeah, it's a perspective camera, but the controls are custom, which is exactly what we are going to do now. As I said many times before, it would be amazing to have Bruno's emotes in this channel. It's coming, guys, it's coming. We have the emotes coming, and I actually had some draft of the emotes, and they're super cool, and you will see. It's coming soon. The artist needs a bit more time to finish them, but it's already looking good, so I'm not worried about that. So yeah, let's go. This part is named sidebar, I guess, so maybe we can hide it by doing sidebar, toggle sidebar, control B. Oh, okay, so this, Control B. The other one should be Control Shift B. Come on. Anyway, okay, first we need to get this. We can do it like that. Then we need to get the cameras. Yeah, I'm using the Mac shortcuts. I need to... Oh, it's gonna be so complicated. I will do so many mistakes. The dot is at the same place. That's already a relief. Do I have the log snippet? Please tell me I have the log snippet. Yeah. Nice. Let's get back to the console. This is not the right one, is it? Yeah, okay, it's working. All right, then in the... So, Control B. Yeah, okay, it's working. Nice. The experience we can add after adding the camera. Oh, actually, we can do it after adding the world. Navigation. Set world. Oh. Will you get it or what? Yes, it's working. All right, nice. The navigation is there. You can put it there. The navigation is there. You can just refresh. Control E. Okay, nice. This experience is a new experience. Obviously, I need to import it. Are we going to need 3? Yeah, probably. I don't know yet. Yeah, okay, it's working. So currently I have my camera. There is already some code done, which is to have a default one and a debug one. There is no way to switch between them currently because I don't have TwigPan. I will probably add it later, but... Oh, actually, that's not the right one. Oh, yes, it is. Debug or default. So we can switch to default. So it's going to look bad because we're going to be, yeah, exactly at the center. So now what we can do is create some navigation, and this is about the view. I like to call that the view. The view is different from the camera. The view is about positioning the view and not really the camera. This way you can have like different names and have all your camera stuff in one class and all your view stuff in another one. So set view, okay. How do you call this? In English, I forgot. The mustache. What's the name for this? How are you doing today? Doing fine. The dog is sleeping. Curly bracket. Thank you. Yeah, bracket and curly bracket. I forgot about this one. Bruno, what is the next commercial project you're doing? No commercial project. I have a lot of ideas on Three.js Journey, but I will mostly improve the lessons to provide more stuff. You like the mug mini palette? Yeah, that was so cool. Check that. They exist in real life. You can buy some on Amazon. It's the classic gift. If you guys want some ideas. I feel a bit more productive and relaxed. Nice. Also, thank you, Bruno, for streaming in my working hours. Ah, stay focused. The B from side. The B from side, yeah. Actually, this one is one of my shortcuts. As I said many times before, it would be amazing to have Bruno's emote. Ah, okay. My son saw you on Twitch, directly asked me to play with the Jeep on your portfolio. Nice. It seems that it's not working on iOS anymore. I don't know why. I simply updated. I think I simply updated Three.js, but some people told me that when you press start, it doesn't work anymore. So I need to do something about it. Yeah. Anyway, it's iOS, so I'm not in a hurry. And yes, I'm trolling. Like every session. This is the Apple trolling, and we stop there. So the view, how are we going to use the view? Actually, it's some spherical coordinates. And did you know that Three.js has spherical coordinates? So we need Three.js, obviously. Oh, it's so hard. It's not bad, it's just I'm too used to Mac keyboards and Mac shortcuts. New 3.spherical. But we also need to apply some easing and things like that. So spherical, there will be 2 sphericals. Curly bracket. Yay! I got it! Can I duplicate a line? Oh no, see another shortcut that doesn't work. Usually I have Control D. Control D is supposed to duplicate my shortcut and I have it on Mac and no, now it's not working. Why? Command D? Oops. Okay, that was not Command D. So I think the default one is Alt. No, that's not it. Alt Shift, Alt Control. Ah, come on. Alt Shift down. Alt Shift down. No, it's not working. Because I changed it. And on Mac, the new shortcut works, but not on Windows. Yeah, I know. But what I usually do is that I configure it, but I did the sync. You know, you can sync. So where is the shortcut? Oh, Command Shift B. Control Shift B. Yeah, it's not working anymore. Oh, it's a nightmare. Yeah, the shortcuts are all messed up. I synchronized everything and the shortcut, which is super useful because I have many sessions on many computers. But right now I can't. I will fix that off screen. So Command Shift B. Yay! Then Control B. Makes no sense, but yay. And did I lose it or what? No. Okay. I will complain. As you guys can hear, I will complain today. So we have the value and we are going to have some smooth value. All right, cool. And we can start from the base value in case this one is different and we create a clone. All right. Then we can add the smoothing around 0.005. It will be used later. We need to update it on each frame. So let's go. Update, update, update after the render. Oh, that's weird. Should be more like that. Ooh, I hate when VS Code do that. See the indentation? Makes no sense. You can see there is no curly bracket. Remember, oh, come on, again. I will fix all of those before the next stream. Alright. Some errors, obviously. Update. Alright, working well. So the view. What else do we need? Distance. Should I call it radius? Oh, actually, spherical has a radius. So we can use this one inside the spherical. I forgot how the class is working. Spherical asset. Yeah, okay. Radius, phi, theta, theta, theta. So if I put, let's say, 10, 0, 0, I think the polar angle, equator angle, yeah. Let's put math pi instead. Okay, that's cool. Then we can update the camera and say this camera to vector 3, I guess. Set from vector 3. No, actually, that's the opposite. So we need to create a vector 3 out of a spherical. So it's gonna be from spherical, I guess. Yeah. We don't really need to use a 3 spherical because we just need radius, phi, and theta. Maybe we'll change that later. Let's see. Can I? Okay, this is working. I'm so glad that this is working. This is about the view. Then view position, set from spherical, and we can use this value. We don't care about the smoothing for now. Okay, and here we should get something looking decent, I guess. Yeah, I think that's good. Oh no, that's something weird. Oh, MathPy 0.5. Ah, it doesn't like this one. What? Oh, that's weird. Alright. So this one is... Ah, okay, yeah, I get it. This one should be 0, and this one should be 0.5. Yeah, the Y... See that number? It's actually 0. Welcome to JavaScript. No, actually, it's more like computers. I'd say TS would only add complexity to something that already is quite complex. And I agree with that. Especially if you're working alone. Why would you do that? No, I don't hate it. I think it's especially useful when you are working with a team and different levels, different ways of coding, and some beginners that will do classic mistakes of types and things like that. The problem is beginners will have more troubles to learn TypeScript, and if they start by learning TypeScript, in the end it's gonna be worse because they can't do vanilla. So yeah, I'm not still convinced by TypeScript. I think it's a good idea, but still it's more complex and I don't need it. We need a key binding reveal. I was amazed by how fast you edited stuff in the course and would like to learn them too. Ah, yeah. But currently I'm having troubles because we changed to PC. Indentation settings, yeah, we changed. Actually, I should write this down. Oh, hey, Mr. Glocks. You want? Personally, I love React for using R3F. It's just awesome. Yeah. I've heard that. Hello, Bruno, I have a question for you. How do you know when you need to use 3 with React? I will not answer that because I know I don't need it. Like, never. I just don't need it. Control V, Control C, Control V without selecting a thing. Ah, it's working. Nice. Thank you. I think I will use this one. Just going through realistic render lesson. Okay, nice. It's a good one. This lesson is really cool. You will learn some very cool stuff. One of my favorites. Wasn't easy to do, but really cool. Oh. Okay, we can do that with middle mouse. Okay, so we have the sphericals. Now we can update the camera and we can do this .camera.default. I guess that's how it's working. We have mods, default instance. Yeah, it's more like that. Default, mods, default instance. Copy, no, it's on the position. Copy, view position. Damn, it's so hard. So yeah, I was saying I need to write down everything I need to fix about the shortcuts. Let's write them down, sorry. Oh, I have so much stuff. PC shortcuts. So what was the issues? Oh, sorry, boy. I put the fan, but I think the fan was blowing on him. Hide sidebar. Hide activity bar. Is it activity bar? I think so. I mean, it's more like toggle. 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 Toggle console. Indentation. Duplicate line. How do you comment? Control C. Please work. Oh, come on. Oh, Cortana. Oh, never, please. Who's using Cortana? So I need the shortcuts to duplicate. Yeah, no, it's slash, but I don't like because it's too far. I need to comment really fast and toggle the commands super fast. Toggle comment. All right, I will do that after this session. Thanks for the prime. Oh, we got a prime? Oh yeah, thank you, Richard. Bruno portfolio equal all 3D. Don't use React. Something like Sketchfab equal a lot of component equal makes sense. What? Don't use React. Yeah, I know it's a slash, but slash is too far from control. I need to do it super fast without looking at the keyboard. Yes, maybe I'm just bad. Control C. Yeah, I use Control C usually. But the shortcut is not working. Though it should. It's working on Mac, but not PC. Alright, that's cool. So we save. The camera is going to end up far away. I'm good with that. Then we can say to the camera to look at something. I think we will create maybe a target. Not sure it's a good idea. Let me think. Yeah, maybe we should have a target, like an invisible target inside the scene. Yeah. Let's just create a vector 3 for the moment. In the center for now. I guess we will make it higher later. And we can do this instance. Look at the target. Yeah, that's cool. So now if we change those value, we should end up with the camera looking somewhere else. Okay, it's working. So by default, we should start at minus mathpi multiplied by 0.25, I guess. Yeah. And there it's gonna be mathpi 25 again. I think it's on the top. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Further away. Yeah, okay. That's actually almost perfect. There we can do something like 0.50. This one didn't work. Or maybe we need more actually. 4? Okay, that's it. So maybe further and lower. Even lower. That's this one, I guess. Let's find a good default setting. What's happening? Oh, that's not what I meant. So how close to it should we be? Like if you start the experience in full screen, yeah, I guess we are too far. Maybe 25? The angle is quite good. Oh, do we have a lot of distortion? Or maybe a bit too much? For this kind of scene with those... Oh, issue. I think he's waking up. Okay, that's good. Try to have as less perspective as possible. You can use the orthographic camera. Might be even better, but still, like, I think having some perspective is always good. Yeah. Maybe 20? So first, you make sure the perspective is good, and then you move the camera. If you do otherwise, you will regret. Okay, that's not bad. Maybe 30. Okay, I think that's cool, because there is not much things on top. Yeah, it's fine. You can see the bottom of it. And if we resize. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, I'm good with that. It's so cool to have on Windows by default. You can just drag Windows. I don't think we have this in Mac. I mean, it's been years. It should be default. Anyway, will the project be on GitHub? Yeah, it's already on GitHub. Yeah, I need to comment so that you guys can get everything faster. I will put in the chat. Where is the chat? There. And you can take everything. And if you need the model, just ask, and I will put the model on Discord. Actually, we don't need Blender by Blender. And you can do whatever you want with it. I don't care. Maybe just avoid saying that you did it. Windows arrow to move the windows. Oh, really? Oh, nice. And how can you be full? Oh, okay, that's... Oh, I love it. 1.4 Windows. Should we create our own OS? Just like it's easy. Try the prettier extension for indentation problems. I avoid that. And when you work alone, why not? But I had some issue with my team when I was a lead developer with some of the developers using Prettier, and it was creating like huge commits where it's just moving stuff, removing line breaks, adding semicolon at this place or not, or removing them. And in the end, the commits was just a bunch of auto fix from Prettier. So if you work alone, why not? But otherwise, with the team, avoid doing it. Or everybody should the same configuration. That's might be a good idea actually. What am I doing? I don't know. What am I doing? Ah yeah, I'm creating my room in 3D and now it's in WebGL. And if you guys want to test, by the way, I put the link again. Yeah, I should create a project command. So much stuff to improve, but I don't have much time these days. Okay. Have you seen André Venantio's, sounds Italian, portfolio? It uses Three.js really nicely. Send the link. I might have seen it, but I'm bad with names. I always forget people's names. Sometimes I forget mine. You have an idea to fake God rays, Bruno? Yeah, you can just use a plane and rotate the plane toward the camera, but not on every axis. It's a bit weird, but you rotate the plane just like that. Not like that, just like that toward the camera. See? Etudab. Let me check. Oh, that's cool. Let me check live. Yeah, super nice. If you add fluid simulation to that, it's a win. Because right now it's cool, super cool, I like it, but it's a bit too reactive and not reactive at the same time. See this one? Oh, we don't have it anymore, okay. Oh, it's back, okay, but it always stick to the cursor. So it's super cool, but it can be even better. See, that's crazy to have a WebGL on image like this. Oh, there's something happening when you do that. Not anymore. I think there is some kind of pairing being applied on it too. Oh, that's so sad that you lose it when you change from one to another. Is it my computer or what? And when you click, too bad. I wanted the thing to open or something like that. Yeah, it would have been so hard. Yeah, that's cool. Super cool. Simple, efficient. I like it. So, Windows and right. Let's use the shortcuts. Makes sense. So make the plane look at the camera constantly. Yeah. But not really look at it. Just on one axis. See, that's the camera, and you do that. More like that. Can be fixed with pre-commit hooks that apply prettier, always the same. Yeah, true. Good idea. All right, let's move on. I'm so distracted. It's because I don't want to write code currently with all those issues we have. I have. All right, so here's the idea. We have the default view. Now we need to be able to move stuff when the camera moves. When the mouse moves. Actually, when you drag and drop. But we also need to make sure that it's working on mobile, so we need to add quite a lot of abstraction method. So let's go. We are going to do this view on mouse down. Then this one can stay up actually. I always recommend to have to not put the function directly in those, because when you want to clean them, you need to separate them, and depends on what you're building. But at some point, usually, like if it's a full website, you need to destroy all the experience because the user changed the page, and to destroy things properly, you need to remove the event listeners, and to do that, you need to separate the methods. So it's a lot of abstraction, but still it's better. So mouse down, we would just focus on mouse, but prepare for the rest. I mean, for the touch. I will probably do that offline. It's gonna be quite easy and not that interesting. So then we can get the event. Let's just make sure that everything is working nicely, like that. So when we click, we get the event. That's cool. That's crazy. Woohoo. We need the mouse up. Mouse up. Mouse up. Oh, never mind. And the mouse up is only when we do the mouse down, so that we don't have too many events, though now JavaScript is handling that well, and actually the computers are much better. Mouse up, the mouse move. Mouse move. The mouse up doesn't have any events, so we don't care about that. Mouse move here too. Mouse move. Mouse move, like that. Up, mouse down. I'm really not comfortable right now. I mean, I've been doing that for years, but being on PC, it's quite a mess for me. I just need to get used to it. Maybe I should have done that offline. I don't know, maybe do some random project offline. Okay, it's working well. Now make sure to destroy it properly. So remove, I mean, those two can be removed. Yeah, just like that. So right now it's doing nothing. I click, I move, I remove it, and now it's not doing it anymore. All right, that's clean, but we need more abstraction to that, unfortunately, because I know I will add touch support. So mouse events. Let's create methods. Yeah, that's a bit weird, but why not? This view down. Yeah, let's use. Yeah, down is fine. So there's the X, there's the Y, even the underscore, I'm having trouble to find it. I'm a mess today. And I complain a lot. Up, oh, in the up actually I don't think we need to.
Do you know other JS libraries other than Three.js?
No, that's the only library I know. Are there other libraries? Yeah, obviously. Depends what kind of libraries. There is Babylon, which is not that much a library now. It's more like almost an engine. Play Canvas, Pixel.js. You have many animations libraries. GSAP, Twins.js. You have debug libraries, .GUI, TwigPaint. I don't know. You have very simple libraries that just do, I don't know, Bezier curves, some calculation, some sorting. Yeah, sorry, the sound is a bit too loud, but it's, I don't know how to control that. It's actually from the terminal. Yeah, GSAP. I'm not such a big fan of GSAP, especially when they do cool updates, but then you get like a bunch of bugs. And also because some plugins are, you have to pay for them. I mean, I get it, everybody needs to get money, but oh, it's so cute. But the way you add those plugins is, it's clunky, it's a bit messy. No, not jQuery. jQuery is gone. I don't even know what you're talking about. Be careful when you search for something, I don't know, tutorial, and you see jQuery, leave it. Move on. It's a bad omen. P5. Oh yeah, good idea. I have used it but it was like years and years ago. It was a bit difficult, but so powerful. And yeah, that's a very good library. Great for starting out. Yeah. Even though Mac is based on Unix. Yeah, true. Linux gang. Yeah, you know, I will also like, how do you say? Spit on Linux if I try it. I mean, I've been using Ubuntu long time ago. It was okay. It was actually before using Mac. I wonder how it is now. I checked some videos and it seems okay. When and why do you declare a variable with underscore? Oh, this is the old me doing code. There was a time where the garbage collector wasn't that great, and you could create like loop. It's not really loops, but you could make the variable persistent just by changing something on it. while it's a parameter of a function. Shit, he woke up. Hey buddy, what's up, bro? Okay, he's still sleepy, but right under the chair, so I must be careful. Not easy. You okay? Sure? I can walk him. Okay. What was I saying? Yeah, the underscores. And to make sure that you don't take risk of changing something on this variable, you put an underscore and you know that you should not change it. Hey, buddy. Come here. Say hi to the stream. Oh, okay. Sleeping? This dog is weird. Yeah, so weird to have two Chromes. I have the Chrome icon, but when I open it, I get another Chrome. I don't get it. Did you build Zenly with only Three.js? No. First, we were two developers. The other one was Laixing. Can I get this Twitter? Let me send you his Twitter. Let's do some promotion. I'm sure I have it somewhere. Yeah, here you go. And he did all the rest, which is actually even more than the WebGL. And he used, I think it was Vue.js. I'm not sure of it. Or maybe it was React actually, I don't know. And yeah, just did the WebGL. How do you profile a Three.js app? Just like that. Yeah, check on my GitHub. There is I can send you that GitHub. There is a complex template of Three.js, and it's really it's very similar to what I use for professional projects. Quite a lot of abstraction, but this is needed as abstraction, and I know it's quite robust, but it's very specific to me. I put it online because a lot of people ask me about it, but yeah, it's very specific to how I do it. +1 for PopOS. What's PopOS? I conflated with Matter.js. Yeah, Matter.js is great. I've used it so many times. Actually, there's a website. I hope to be able to talk about this website soon. I can't right now, and I use Matter.js in a very specific way, actually. It's in the Three.js website, but I use Matter.js. For those who don't know, it's a 2D physics engine, Matter.js, in JavaScript, obviously. PopOS is cool. Ah, Ubuntu based, so based on Ubuntu. A lot of abstraction. Robot contains JS. What's that? Let me check. No, I don't want to do that. Oh, come on, Chrome. Curtain JS. Ah, yes, I know about it. Yeah, why not? That's a good idea, but I mean, I can do it without libraries. So, seeing new to JS, but it's all right, cool. The Zenly water shader looks really nice. Yeah, this one was actually really funny to create. And the next website, I can't talk about yet. There is also a cool water animation. You will see. The double Chrome thing is because you have multiple Gmail profiles. Yeah, that's it. So it opens one Chrome for each you open. Yeah, but this one is not even open. I mean, I have only one open. Can I pin this one and get rid of this one? Let's see if this one stays. Hey, Dev, what's up? So far, a very smooth ride for me. PopOS. Okay, that's interesting. PopOS. Damn, we are not going very fast now. You guys are so talky today. We say talky. Chatty. Talky. Chatty. PopOS. PopOS. Maybe it was called, yeah. Okay, first it looks simple and good. I like that. But what would we need abstraction on top of Ubuntu? Yeah, I'll check that later. Let's get back to the code. Have I seen Zenly World? What's that? Oh, they did another website. Oh, that's cool. And it's WebGL. Damn. Oh, we control it then? Talkative. Talkative. So today's English word is talkative. Good tutorial for Canon.js. Yeah, Three.js Journey. 2 hours in one of the lessons. Thank you, Mr. Glocks. What is your favorite project so far? No personal portfolio answer. Project I did? I don't know. Yeah. Nah. I don't know. I will think about it. Coffee always makes me talkative. Alright, cool. Let's move on. So now that we have this, I will not check the chat for a few minutes. And I see the chat moving. No, no, no. I'm going to call those methods. It's a bit weird to have method and method and method, but once I add the touch, it will be much easier. So event.client X, event.client Y. This move, yeah, we can get rid of this. The mouse down. I'm not sure we're gonna need this one still. Let's check it. So it's exactly the same. And the mouse up, I don't think we will use this one either, but still let's add it just in case. Oh, graphic art is live. Stay here. If you don't know about graphic art, you don't need to know about graphic art. I'm kidding. It's a cool French streamer. So now we have the down. Let's see, log. Let's say down X, Y. Yes, that's another comma. Okay, is everything working? Nope, I broke it because it's not move, it's down. Okay, nice. So next step. By the way, we need some sensitivity things. Boy. It's in prison. Hey, buddy. Let's see. Say hi to the chat. Hey, buddy. Hello, guys. He's still sleepy. Say hello. So distracted today. Okay, sleeping on my lap. That's perfect. Not very comfortable, but I can dig that.
Oh, this one is hard.
Out of 10, how much do you rate your Three.js knowledge? Yeah, that's a very hard question. I know there is so much to learn. Like some of the classes, if I check the code, I'm so lost. Like if it's just about using it, I think I'm around 7 out of 10. And if it's about like changing the code inside and things like that, I think I'm really low, like 3 or 4 out of 10. Might be wrong though. I don't know. It's so hard to put a number on that. And I checked the chat. I said no chat. Stop. All right, so we have those. What's the best way? Should we do it on the updates or... Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. No. We need a dog cam. You think you can walk him if he is awake?
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for.
Okay. Oh, she's gonna call.
Huh?
You have a call?
No, no, he's gonna come in and I will go out.
Okay, d'accord. Okay. All right. Yeah, it's super hard to focus. I was doing... Yeah, I know what I was doing. So... So Control-C, Control-V. Yeah, okay. It's a bit long, but I can dig that. 0, Y. So here is how I do it. It's a bit strange, but it's super efficient, especially if you have lost frames. So when you move it, you get from the previous one. Yeah, we need the previous one too. Okay, this shortcut is working, but I think it's native. Oh, buddy. It's already too big for my laps. Previous value. Yeah, we need something called drag. Drag, and we need to update those. Yeah, something more like that. So it's a lot, but you will see those are going to be very useful. The idea is that we get the drag, the delta. On each frame we reset the delta, so it's gonna be over there, I guess. Yeah, drag. But before that, we are going to update it. So when we move the previous value, so the previous value, we put the X. Hey, buddy. Like that. When we move, we get the delta, which is this. Oh, can I have multi? Yeah, okay, I can do that by clicking. I'm so not comfy. Minus, I guess, this one and this one. And then we save the previous one as those, but in fact, we add it like that. Yeah, and now let's do a quick test, and we don't need the up as expected. Yeah, see? So it was the opposite. That's on me. So Alt, yeah. I will not code as fast as during the lesson on Three.js Journey. Yeah, see, we get this. Right now I'm dragging. Right, and by default it's nothing. Okay, that's cool, that's exactly what I wanted, and you reset the delta so that you just have the delta live. So now what we can do, oh come on buddy. He's not comfy so he can't sleep. Oh, good boy. We can update those. Yeah, we just need to update the phi. Do we say phi or phi? I think it's phi and theta. And we can do that. There. Yeah. Value that phi, I guess it's the first, plus equal. I'm even having trouble to do plus equal. Oh, the plus is there. Oh yeah, it's so different. Maybe. Oh, the Mac keyboards and PC keyboards, Windows keyboards, kind of the same layout if you use QWERTY or not. Because if it's the case, I think I will change to that. So we can do that, and we need to multiply by a small value. Actually, let's test it that way. Yeah, perfect. So it was theta, obviously. I knew it, it was a test. You guys knew about that. Yeah, that's working. So right now it's way too fast, so we can play with the sensitivity. Drag, sensitivity. Let's use only one sensitivity. I don't know how much. Multiply by that. Yeah, so we need the opposite, so it's gonna be minus. Do not change the delta. The delta is the absolute value. It needs to be negative when going left and positive when going right. But you can just do that here, minus instead. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so now it's working nicely. Maybe a bit more sensitivity. 15 maybe. Yeah, that's cool. We need to be able to almost move the whole thing like that. But check that. If I have a small screen, I need to do it like a bunch of time. And if I have a big screen, it's super fast. So we need to do something about that. The way to fix that is to use simply the size. And I can get the size, I think, on the config. That this kind of template or not. Yeah, we got it there. All right, what I recommend is to use the smallest value, and we can actually calculate that by doing config smallest side equal math mean between the width and the height. Biggest side, largest, biggest, largest, let's use largest. Max, don't forget to update that when there is a resize. Where is the resize? There. Like that. And then in the sorry, navigation, sensitivity. Should we divide or multiply? I don't know actually. That's not it. Config. We don't have a config, right? How do I scroll horizontally? Ooh, okay, with shift. Config. Yeah, now we have the config. Smallest or biggest? I don't know actually what's the best. Smallest side. Let's try that. Sensitivity, we need to change it to something way higher because we are dividing by something big. Okay, that's cool. Even more, maybe 0.6 or even more. Let's put 1. Oh yeah, so 1 drag. Yeah, that's cool. And now if I have a bigger screen, I want to get bigger. Yeah, okay, we get the same thing. And if I have a small screen, like, I don't know, a phone, yeah, it's still working. Okay, that's great. Exactly what we wanted. Those are the kind of details you don't really think of. I can't put on the right. Oh, that's weird. I broke Windows or what? Okay, it's fine. Already 1 hour and we did nothing. Great job, Bruno. Great job. Do you know? No, it's I know. Shift Alt arrow down. Yes, I know, but I changed it on Mac. That's what I was saying earlier. And my shortcuts are being synchronized, but between Mac and PC, it's a mess. Like the shortcuts, it's all messed up. So the normal way of doing that, which is actually bad because shortcuts, when you think of shortcuts, it's one hand or nothing. All right, because shortcut needs to be short. And if you use 2 hands, it's not short. So I changed it, but now the Shift Alt arrow down doesn't work, but the other one doesn't work either. So it's a mess. I will fix those offline later. He's sleeping, but I think he's eating in his sleep. Like nom 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 nom. Hey Cathy, what's up? Already moved from Blender to Three.js. What do you mean by already? Like we spent 14 sessions doing Blender. It was time. Where is my sausage? Yeah. Cuteness overload. Yeah, out of 10. Okay, we already did this one. Use Windows tab to switch apps on Windows. Yeah. Not Windows tab. I'm using Alt tab. What is Windows tab? Oh, okay. It's super long. What are those? Oh, I don't like it. First, I don't like the animation, like it's 10 times too long. Just like on Mac. I hate the animations on Mac. It's way too long, it's bad for performances, and you can't deactivate them. They switch to some fade, which is even worse because you lost the positions. I mean, yeah, I criticized too much today. Let's focus. Let's say I'm just tired. All right, so this is working. That's great. Let's do the vertical one. And what's that? Oh, shoo. Wait, I click on something. Okay, it's fine. What are those logs, by the way? Okay, that's those one. So we can do exactly the same. So how do we duplicate? Control-C, Control-V. Okay, I'm good with that. The phi, we use the Y, and I think it's the exact same thing. Yeah, Oh, it's already working. Check that. That's cool. I like it. Then we need to add some limits. Oh, there are multiple ways to do that. Let me think. Oh, it's working with the right click. Oh, what the hell? It's not supposed to work. Is it? I think it's because of the orbit control. Enable only if this one is active. Oh no, that's not the right reason to activate it. Mods debug active. What? Oh, let's totally deactivate this one. So mouse down with a right click is doing that. On Mac is different. That's interesting. Pop OS has almost no animation. Alright, I will check that. So, how was I doing? Oh yeah, adding limits. Yeah, we have an issue there. If we want the user to be able to move like laterally using the right click, we can't just add limits to theta and pi. Yeah, we need to do things a bit differently. Oh, first we wanted to add some smoothing. So let's go, let's add the smoothing. Where is it? Navigation, yeah. So instead of doing it on the value, we are going to use the smooth version. And we can do the smoothing by doing smoothing. Yes, I'm having trouble saying this kind of word because I'm French. Let's do the classic smooth. Yeah, okay, it's gonna be that. So phi plus equal. So it's the destination. The destination is the value dot phi minus. So minus is not there. The current value. So it's the phi multiplied by the smoothing, and the smoothing is right here. Oh, it's gonna be a long one. This is where having good trackpads or magic mouse is great. That's one of the things. Let's say some positive stuff about Apple. They do great trackpads. Well, having the plug of the to recharge the mouse under the mouse is the worst thing ever, but they have good trackpads. And let's use the time in case it's a different frame rate. How do you go at the end of the line on Windows? Is it Alt? No. Is it Windows? No, obviously. Yeah, we saw that. Control Shift maybe? Neither. Control. Yuck. How do you go at the end of the line on Windows? Multiply by this dot time dot delta, and I don't have the time, so we just need to get this one, so it's Shift. Alright, what do we get? Yeah, okay, it's working. See, we have some cool smoothing. So we need to do the same. We could have used the lerp. I think there's a lerp. Let me check. We have a lerp on the... I should add what's the name? It's not lazy search, it's fuzzy search there. Like if you put sphe al, you should have spherical. It's not that complicated in JavaScript. At least when there is not too much. No, there is no lerp. And it's inherit from nothing, so yeah, no lerp. Let's do it manually. Control C, Control V. Hey, buddy. Okay, he's sleeping. Maybe. And it's working. That wasn't that hard. Let's push it so that you guys can test this. Git add all git commit. Actually, it's a work in progress. Just add. Okay, git switch prod. Yes, I need to switch every time to the prod version. Git merge main, git push. It's to prevent creating too much updates on Vercel and getting blocked. Maybe I should buy a plan on Vercel. I don't know what are the prices. I'll check that later. Okay. So you can test function arrow right for me. Let me check. I don't have function. Oh, there. Oh no. No, it's not working. No, not working. Shift end. Shift. What's end? Is that this one? No. There's a end. Oh, fin. Oh, it's in French. Oh, what the hell? Shift end. And it's selecting. Oh, no, that's a mess. And if I do just end. Oh, okay. So, yeah, yet again, I need to use my right hand to press the end button. So it's in French. So it's fin. Where is my keyboard? Oh, yeah. Actually, it's AZERTY. It's obvious. Don't. You need to be able to do every shortcuts with your left hand. That's how you get productive. So, is it good or what? Yeah. This one. Okay, no, not yet. I think it is. No, not yet. We need to wait. Well, anyway, you guys have the link. Just test sometime. Control plus right. Yeah. Just end for me. Yeah, that was it. So many things to fix. If this room is mine, I will be very happy. The color, shape, and light are very fantastic. Thank you. I spent a lot of time and I did a lot of Philips Hue lights to get there. I will show. I will put some. How do you say? Photos to compare on Twitter once the project is done. Put my Twitter in the chat. Control pane, ease of access. Center the computer here to see and checking, turn off all unnecessary animation when possible. We do the trick on what? On Mac? I love Pop OS. Oh, we hear a lot of good things about Pop OS. A macro keyboard. What's a macro keyboard? All right, let's do the wheel. Actually, we should work on... Oh, let me think. We should work on the target first. Oh, by the way, is it live or what? Yeah, okay, it's live. You guys can test. Ah, for Windows animation on PC? Alright, let me try to remember. Okay, I think I will remember. Okay. So yeah, let's focus. Why did we lose? Oh, yeah, okay, that's why. Okay. So yeah, let's work on. That's a bit difficult actually. The target. We need the target when we do right click to move left and right. I think the shortcuts are different when it's how do you say? When it's Windows and Mac. I think the right click doesn't work the same way. Let's make sure we just prevent everything. I think on Mac, as soon as you press the right click, yeah, that's it. You already have the context menu, but on Windows, you press it and it shows up only when you release. So you do that, and you do that, and you do that. No, this one I think is useless. Now, oh shoot, it's working. What the? And maybe if we put it there. What? What's happening? You can't prevent... Oh, that's weird. You can't prevent default this shitty context menu. Do we need to use the context menu event? Yeah, let's do that. JS context menu event. Not sure the name. Context menu. Yeah, okay. So I know it's bad for classic website, but this is a WebGL experience. We don't really care about that. Is it on window or what? I guess. This time we don't really care. Let's do it there. No, let's put it there. I will not sleep well if I do that. Context menu. On context menu, something like that. Even prevent default. Is that prevent default? Yeah, that's it. Context menu, on context menu. Let's go. If you guys could see boy sleeping so well. Yeah, okay, now it's working. What is not working on mobile? Can confirm that it's not working on mobile. Oh, nothing is working on mobile. Wait, are those iPhones? You know where this is going. So why would this not be working? I mean, the drag and drop is not working, that's for sure. Yeah, that's normal. Yeah. We just have mouse events right now. But because we use some abstraction methods, this will be very easy to add. Yeah, it's normal. Even on Android, it will be the same. We just have mouse events, but it will be super fast and easy to add touch events. Yeah. I think if we use the... Oh, see, I can't do it anymore. Let's use an iPhone. Where is the iPhone? Let's use this one. I don't know. Why not? Yeah, see? You get this, I guess. Can you confirm? If you guys are on mobile, actually, I can add it fast. Okay, let me add it. You will see that it's... I think it will be quite easy. It's a lot of code, but yeah, that's a way of doing it. So see, I'm duplicating everything about VS Code, adding this small space. See the indentation? I'm struggling with my... with saying the word struggling too, yeah. But with my students to have a good indentation, we spend almost like 6 months, removing points on their test because the indentation is bad until they get it. And unfortunately, VS Code is not helping a lot. Anyway, so we have the touch, it's touch start. Follow me on this, it's not that complicated. Then the view is view down. And it's not going to be client X, it's going to be client event.touches. We would just handle one finger. 0. And you already always have one. Then you add some more, so it's going to be touch end. Too bad that the names are different, but it makes sense. And touch move is the same, so touch move. Then we have on. I will do some mistakes, but we can fix those fast, you will see. Touch end, on, touch move. In the way you replace everything about mouse by touch, and make sure to use end and start instead of up and down. And this one, oh, he woke up. Oh, damn, he's so cute. It's too much. Touch move, event, client, something, we don't care, we just copy and paste. Touch end, nothing inside this one, I guess. Oh no, actually, yeah, we need to play with those. So this one, touch move, and it's gonna be touch end and touch move. We don't need a context menu. Oh, do we? No, actually, this one is separated. I think it's working for both, so maybe we need to do something like that. I mean, we have a context menu on iOS and Android, right? I guess it's working the same way, so context menu, something like that. And now the indentation is good. You don't know. There is a math random in VS Code and you don't know what's happening. Yeah, we'll deactivate that anyway. So we have the context menu removed. We can get rid of this one. And now it's not mouse down. It's, we said touch start. It's a bit loud. And this one is gonna be touch start. So I probably did some mistakes. Oh, never mind, it's working. Ta-da! And I did just abstraction, so we just changed the names. It's a lot of code, So you have your base methods that handle what you want to do, and then you have the mouse using those methods, and so this one is going to be touch, events using those methods, and the context menu is a bit different. All right, I will put it live. Git commit -m. Oh, by the way, I heard that we still have some seats left if there is some French developers here who wants to learn web. I've heard today that we have still some seats left at Esin, where I teach. Let me send it to this. So it's a French school. I know I'm saying it in English, but it's so that everybody can understand. Yes, we are teaching here. Have a look. And we do some creative coding, but it's more into digital business. Check it quickly if you guys are interested. And in France. So git add, git commit. So it's gonna be iPhone actually. Yeah, I know. I like to add emojis, and this one is an iPhone. They should have called it like mobile or I don't know, not iPhone. What the fuck? Navigation, view, add touch support. We switch to the prod one, and we merge the main one, and we switch back to the main one. There are probably faster way of doing it, but this is fine. All right, wait a minute, and I think it's gonna be live, and you guys will be able to test it. Aren't you cheating in Ethic 2? Cheating? Me cheating? I'm the teacher. How can I cheat? I don't get it. Do not check the mobile version yet. Give it a few minutes for Vercel to do that. Yeah, true. If you want to learn all these things that Bruno is doing right now, then hit the link above to start your journey. Yeah, thank you. 1 hour and 20 minutes, all right. Bruno, can you auto-indent everything in VS Code using Ctrl-Shift-I? Yeah, but it's probably not doing the way I do it. You don't need the context menu for mobile? Oh, you're sure of that? Like when you hold, like you press hold, I'm sure you get the context menu, no? Anyway, it's there, so it should be fine. And if it's not triggered, I mean the event is not triggered, we don't really care. Orbit control are not enabled for mobile, or you sure? I think it's working on mobile. Still, we need a custom class because we need to do something a bit more better. The main issue with orbit control is the zoom. I hate the zoom. Calm down, calm down. I hate the zoom on orbit controls. It's not smooth. It's so sad. Maybe I should update it. I don't know. Yeah, on iPhone, just a stock image. All right, let's test it. Do you prefer Vercel or Netlify? For me, it's the exact same thing. I don't use them a lot. It's
Bruno,
just for
that message on the orbit controls was ages ago in relation to what people were experiencing before 5.5.
Ah, okay, I get it. What was I saying? Vercel, Netlify? Yeah, for me it's the same because I just put the like small experiments like that. So I just need like a continuous integration. When I put to GitHub, it gets updated. So for me, it's exactly the same. Just like GitHub pages, it's exactly the same. But yeah, just like you said, with the name Anubis, yeah, a lot of people seems to prefer Vercel. Have a better management with my packages in NPM because I uploaded some React project in Netlify and there is error. Oh, really? Oh, that's sad. All right, let's test it. I think you guys can just click again on the link. Let's make sure that it's working. Oh, I saw the context menu, so I think it's not working. Maybe we need to wait. Vercel seems to be a bit long to update. I mean, I just changed one file. I know there is the npm run build, but maybe you can do some only update what needs to be updated, no? Yeah, no, it's not live yet. Did I miss something? Let me check on Vercel. Maybe Vercel is already telling me stop updating, it's too much. Oh, emojis are not working. Interesting. I think I did a mistake. Because it's ready. It's being updated not long ago. Add touch support? No, it's supposed to be there. What's happening? Did I do a mistake? Oh, I merged and I didn't push. That's on me. Okay. Nobody told me. Can I count on you guys? Okay, now it's building. Could have waited hours. Alright, let's get back to it. Oh no, the zoom is gonna be so hard to do. I hate to do zoom. Oh! Bump his head. And now he's asleep. Okay. That was a big bump. Let's use the wheel first. Yeah, wheel having zoom in and zoom out is a bit harder. Oh no, I said we are going to do I will not do more touch for now. I prefer to finish the mouse. At least you guys can rotate around now. Just wait a few seconds and you will be able to do it. But I will do the touch probably offline because it gets a bit messy once you want to do the swipe without any libraries. There is a cool library I used to use, which is Hammer.js. And there's the swipe. And there's the double finger too, which is okay to do the lateral drag. All right, it's live. I think you guys can test. So it's there. Let's use mobile. And now it's working. Let me put it in the chat. Yeah, that's true. But you see how people, if students are following or not. Usually when you see something strange, you're like, oh no, it's probably the teacher knows what he's doing. Let's not say a single thing. All right, nice. So now we have a smooth animation. And we can do the zoom in and out using the wheel. And what I recommend to use, it's not perfect, but there is a normalize wheel library that kind of normalize wheel events regardless of the OS and the type of wheel that is being used. I use that on every project. You won't get the same wheel feeling, but it's very close and there is no surprise just like the orbit controls. The orbit controls between Windows and Mac, it's too sensitive or not sensitive enough. And you always get that. With normalized wheel, you should get a good result. So let's go. Should be fast. We can import it like that. You just use it on the event and it's fine. I don't think we'll add a lot of abstraction. Should we or not? Let me think. Yeah, maybe we can have this view. I don't know. I don't know how I do it usually. I don't always have a zoom feature, so and it's hard to do. So let's see where it goes. Zoom, and we send, let's say a delta maybe. And once we pinch, we can probably get the delta kind of the same way. Yeah, let's test that. We see where it goes. So now you need the wheel. So it's going to be on wheel, which is actually very different depending on what you're using. Yeah, it's so sad. Even today, there is mouse wheel, there is wheel, and I think there's another one that's not being used too much. On wheel. Yeah, you know what? Let's add the wheel too. And if one is not working, we don't mind. Log wheel. Oops. You can't prevent default inside a passive event. Let's put it to active. Oops. And he bumped his head again. Okay, now it's working. You get the value and we can just copy and paste this. So yeah, you get the normalized value just like that. Let's be lazy. So it's event like that. Don't use E. You can at least write event. Come on. Don't be that lazy. And then we can do this view. What was the name? Zoom? Oh, yeah, okay. I don't like it. Just zoom. We can change it later. All right, and then we get the delta. Yeah. Actually, we just need the Y so we can send this right away. So it's gonna be normalized dot pixel Y. I think it's some Facebook developers that did this one. Oh yeah, extracted from Facebook's fixed data table. So someone stole it from Facebook. I don't know what's that. An unmaintained project. That's interesting. And see the download. Everybody's using it. 5 years ago. That's funny. All right. So now we get this. And if I use something else, too bad. Ah, wait. I have my Mac there. I can probably just start it like that. 192.168. Let's learn how to count in French. Point 1, point 17, point 80, 80. 2.80, 80. Yeah, I think it's fine. We'll test that a bit more later. So now that we have the the zoom, we can play with. Do we need to add it too? Yeah, we need to do things a bit differently. This.zoom equal. Yeah, we need to update that. What? Oh, I'm pressing the wrong key every time. It's view. Wait, let me think. Yeah, we need a zoom. Zoom. I don't know. Do we? Maybe something like that. Value. Yes, we have value. Then we have a smooth version. Value we set to 30. Hey boy, it's okay, it's okay. Good boy. Then the smooth value. So it's a bit easier than the one for the spherical, I mean. And I think there's something else. Sensitivity, value, smooth. Oh yeah, the smoothing. Let's use the same one. It's probably a good idea. We can't have just zoom. Oh, buddy. Sorry, I need to distract him before the walk. I don't want him to pee on me. Zoom update, zoom in. Let's call it zoom in. My best idea. Zoom in, positive value, it's going in. Negative value, it's going out. I don't know. Let's see where it goes. And we save. All right, everything seems fine. So now, hey buddy, calm down, calm down. All right, it's okay. He's going to bump his head again. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. C'est bien mon pote. You good boy. Okay. Sorry. I'm not going to use the delta. I don't think we need it. We can just change the value and smooth it whenever we need. Which is the smooth is going to be in the how do you say, the update. Oh no, you're too high for that boy. Okay, maybe like that. Okay. It's so hard. Plus equal delta multiplied by this dot view dot zoom dot sensitivity, something like that, I guess. So let's see, we get something like that. Yeah, okay, supposed to be the opposite, I guess. Minus, maybe. Careful, boy. Oh. So when we zoom in, oh wait, is it the opposite? No, actually it was fine, just like that. Yeah, and now we can update those in there. Is it view, drag, smoothing on the drag only? Yeah, we can smooth everything. Hey buddy, what's up? What's up? You go boy. You're not comfy, I know, I know. Drag. Spherical. Yeah, we don't really care. Smoothing on the spherical. Oh, I'm lost. I got interrupted so much by boy. I'm lost on what I wanted to do. Pale Nike is awesome too. Yeah, dark oil. Not a big fan. Yeah, that's Pale Night indeed. Sent a screen recording of the view on my UI Pro in Discord. Alright, I will check it. What's the issue? Can we fix the transparency plane today? What transparency plane? Oh, this one from the light. Yeah, no, because I need to rebake everything. I forgot about this one. That's my fault. The one is creating lights, and those are the back of the TV are creating light, and we don't want them in the scene. We just want the light. So I didn't add them, but I forgot that this one we needed. This one. So yeah, that's only. And I need to rebake everything, and it will take hours. So no, not this time. Press the screen and hold the context menu. Thanks again. I can't zoom. Yeah, I'm working on that. Your light above the monitor is so right. Is it? It's so not right. The light above the monitor. Ah, yeah. This is not right. Yeah, I know. Context menu not showing on screen. Press and hold on Android. Okay, cool. Nice. Run nice on my budget tablet. Yeah, everything should be smooth for everybody, even if we have way too many geometries. Oh, scratchy. Okay, it's scratchy. But at some point I will merge most of the geometries. Everything static can be just one object, and performances will be like 10 times better, even if they are already pretty good. It will work on any devices, even like all the iPhones. It should work just fine. Hey, buddy. You go boy. You go boy. You want to pee, huh? He wants to pee all the time. You're too big already. Oh, going too fast. Okay. It's working. Nice. Teacher counting on student. Always got it. Okay. Plug that to Windows Dev. Are you on Windows? Yes. That's actually something I can't stop talking about. I used to be on Mac, but Mac is really trash, so it's time to change. So I'm forcing myself, even if I'm super used to Mac. Boy. No. No. Good boy. And sorry, maybe it was loud. No. Good boy. He's chewing the desk. Like he's right here, chewing the desk. Yeah, I'm switching to Windows. I don't know if it's a good idea. I think it's better. Boy. Gonna go down. Problem is, if I put it down, it's gonna be. Oh, putain. Why is Mac now trash? No, let's not talk about it. I really spit so much today on Mac. Oh wait, I think there are some issues. Okay. How long have I been... Oh, careful, boy. Oh, almost failed. It's becoming very complicated to stream. Boy. Hey, buddy. Go back to Mac. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll see. My Mac is trash. No, let's not talk about that. How old is your dog? It's 11 weeks old, so it's almost 3 months. My dogs are 5 and still act like puppies. Oh, that's cool. Never seen dark oil. All right. Mac was and will never be a trash. A trash is a good system in my most insincerest opinion. What? Okay. No, let's not talk about it. Do you know that? No, let's not talk about it. Hey, boy. I'm sorry, I can't, I need to wait for something. You go, boy. Okay, I think I will need to walk him. Don't bait me. Do you have a link? Yeah. Can someone send the link to Pale 9? Alright, I need to walk the dog, sorry. Let me just put... Boy, pas bouger, pas bouger. Hey, buddy. Oh, wrong one. Walking the dog. Give me 5 minutes. It doesn't need a lot of time. Hey, buddy. Hey. I'll be back.
Troubling the Chat, Part 1. And also Troubling the Chat, Part 2 and Final one. Why is this so loud? Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I'm good at coding kappa. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Cortana, shut down my PC. According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its fat little body off the ground. The bee, of course, flies anyway because bees don't care what humans think is impossible. Yellow, black. Yellow, black. Yellow, black. Yellow, black. Oh, black and yellow. Let's shake it up a little. Very. Breakfast is ready. Booming. Hang on a second. Hello. Alright, scramble, jocks. It's time to fly. Thank you, Barry. That bee is living my life. Let it go, Kenny. When will this nightmare end? Let it all go. Beautiful day to fly. Sure is. Between you and me, I was dying to get out of that office. You have got to start thinking bee, my friend. Thinking bee.
What was
Me.
that?
Hold it. Let's just stop for a second. Hold it.
I will read
I'm
that.
sorry.
Okay, Pete,
I'm sorry, everyone. Oh, and we stop here?
give me one more minute.
Yeah. I'll be able to go out.
You can do it after?
Yeah.
Is Three.js harder than HTML?
What was that again?
It's Three.js harder than HTML.
Oh yes, it is. Okay, Google.
Hey, buddy, what's up?
Oh, it was a short walk. All right, I'm back. Sorry. Let me catch up. The dog pooped in the kitchen. No, that's not true. You checked? She checked. I missed a lot. Okay, there was some trolling, I guess, no? Ban hammer time. Ban hammer time. Why? Let me catch up. Bruno, since you missed out what was going on here, we were using our chat point to highlight a message and troll the chat. It was fun. NGL? I don't get it. And I'm proud. Ow! What are you doing? To say I was the one who started it. I want to use deprecated libraries. Why would you do that? Is Three.js harder than HTML? Way harder. So HTML is so bad. I mean, it's XML. We should get rid of XML, but yeah, it's not that simple to change those things. But yeah, Three.js is hard. But you can learn it quite easily by using Three.js Journey, the best course ever to learn Three.js. The dogs are 5 birds. Oh, nice emoji. Try Snowpack. Yeah, I've heard good things
Chat
about
just
Snowpack.
adds so much fun, but it doesn't break the rules, so.
Yeah, it's fine. I can add some limits to the say method. I didn't because I wanted something simple just to see how it goes, but if we need, I can add some limits. Vit.js, yeah, Vit. Heard good things too. What it is, boy? Oh. Someone was quoting the B movie. Oh, that was the B movie. What are you, friends? Don't put on your headset yet. Thank you so much. We just came. Oh my god. I know why you're talking about bees. Wrong stream to troll, guys. We programmers do need to some love. Damn, guys are chatty again. Anyone else willing to sacrifice the points to keep entertaining the chat? I'm going to add some stuff to entertain people. Oh, he wants attention. Actually, I think I remove all his toys so that if he sleeps, yeah, maybe we can put some. Can you put some down? Let's say hi again to the chat. Sorry, guys, I will get back to the code quickly. It's just that boys need attention. They're on the table. Hello, I need distraction. Not distraction, distraction. Okay. The kid is playing. Get back. Oh, shoot. Might want to check this one out. Create app.dev, alright. Weibono isn't here. He's missing so much. Horror. I missed everything. Savior, Cortana shut down my PC. That's smart. That's smart, but I don't activate Cortana. I think I didn't. Cortana? No, it's not working. Any mods here today? Yes, he's here. Ban everyone? No. Missing S followed by 2 letters. Mostly use Nana. Supercalifragil. Ah, yeah, that's a good one. Bundles are a little hard. Okay, some people were still talking about dev while some people were trying. Kappa. Why is this so loud? Yeah, I know I need to fix that. Just don't have time. I have a huge to-do for this stream, but I don't have time. I'm so sorry. The boys is taking most of my time and I have other things to do. It's crazy. Chat a question in learning web development. Okay, some people answered that. I think I will stop reading. You guys talked so much. Okay, let's get back to the code. There is no end to everything you said. Please don't ban me. Nah, it's fine. Don't ban him. It was funny. Boys doesn't understand humans. And if he understood, he would know how stupid we are. Yeah. 3D of your doggo. I want to keep everything static, only objects. I have my dog actually on my portfolio. My old dog, yeah, but it's kind of the same actually. And no, I want no people, no dogs, nothing living. So yeah, that's why. I'm curious, is your partner a dev? No, no, she's not. Lovely boy. How many years you're in web dev? It's been, we already calculated that. It was something like 11 years. I think I started with Flash, doing ActionScript 2, then ActionScript 3, and then Apple killed Flash. And we are talking about Apple again. Have you used 3 for mobile dev, like with React Native, for example? No, I mean, I've done some website that was supposed to work on mobile, but that's all. Is that WebGL rendered on screen? Yeah. Chat just adds so much fun, but it doesn't break the rules, so yeah. Again, nice good lover, NGL, not gonna lie. Ah, okay. Yeah, I'm not that good in English. What the hell? Oh, what was that? The dog needs more toys. What was that? 100. I need help. Was that something like 1,500 what? Frankers? Can you explain what it is? I'm so bad still at those. Oh, donation. Oh, thank you so much. Twitch Beats. Ah, yeah, okay, I see that. Oh, thank you so much. Who did that? VOSN. Vosen. Thank you, man. Ban for giving chat a glimpse into the masterpiece that is the B movie. I need to watch it again. Hammer time. No, I'm not going to use hammer. Okay, those are bits. I'm lost between the coins that you guys win and the bits. So it's different, right? I'm gonna stream for 3 hours today. Yeah, because right now I'm not coding, so I feel super fresh because the chat is so active. I can't code. Oh, that's so much. Thank you so much. That's great. And I will buy toys to boys. To boy. There is only one. Because you ask for it, so let's go. I miss Flash. Yeah, it was a good time. It was all embedded inside the Flash player, and you could put anything in it, even 3D. It was really cool. All right, let's go. What was I doing? We have the wheel. Ah, yes. Okay. We have the wheel, but it's not really working. And we were going to smooth it. Okay, let's go. So Control C, Control V. Okay, no, it's not working anymore. Control C, Control V. Zoom. Yeah. Just a thing. Bits or donations. Nice. Points are just a thing that you gain while being active. Okay, that's what I got wrong. Nice. Did anyone else notice the sudden spike in viewers? Did we? No, we have 90, something like that. I think it's fine. We had even more before. Okay, I get it. Oh, that's so great. Thank you. Here we have his toys. He's into tennis balls, but small because, well, he's small. So zoom. Maybe we should have called it like distance or whatever. The value, no, the smoothed value. And we plus equal the zoom value and the zoom against the zoom smooth, I guess. The zoom smooth, yeah, that's it. And we take the smoothing and we use the data time. Yeah, probably got something wrong here, but anyway, let's test and see where it goes. Oh no, actually it's working already. Okay, cool. So now we can use that on the spherical coordinates. And this is the spherical coordinates. Oh, wait, I know what I did wrong. Oh, yeah, okay. That's not the way of doing it. We need to do it on the zoom. Oh, shoot, I did a mistake there. Control B. Okay, it's done. Yeah, we need to smooth the whole thing. The spherical coordinates. Like that, like that. I'm using the wrong keyboard, obviously. So is this zoom? Smoothing, yeah, it's gonna be the same. I think we're good with that. So yeah, don't forget that the spherical coordinates have a zoom value because it's kind of the size of the sphere. So we don't really need that. The value, the default value is this one. So we put 30, zoom sensitivity. Yeah, that's a bit weird. We have different, we have the zoom inside the spherical and the zoom there too. Yeah, that's the only issue we have. Anyway, all we have is a sensitivity. So it's a bit weird, but still, I think we need to do that. And when we use the wheel, we normalize the value and we update. Yeah, maybe we can just do that. Or maybe in the zoom in. We will probably get rid of this zoom in. We'll see later. So spherical value dot zoom plus equal the delta multiplied by the sensitivity. All right, let's see what we have. Oops, calm down the console. No change, why? Not a number. View zoom sensitivity. Okay, I think it's the view zoom sensitivity. No, it's fine. Spherical value zoom. It's not that one. Spherical value zoom. Oh, I guess I messed it up like there. Spherical smoothed zoom. Is it zoom? Spherical. Maybe it's distance or something like that. Oh, radius. Never mind. That's why. Radius. Yeah, obviously. I'm so dumb. How do I add this? Oh, let's keep it. So radius. Radius. Yeah, it's gonna be much better. Zoom sensitivity, zoom in. Yeah, okay, why not? Then it's the radius. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, it's working. Check that. Yay. All right, that's cool. What's a bit weird? Ah, yeah, the target is a bit above. What can we do about that? Let's see. That's weird. It's looking at the one above. The center of the spherical is probably wrong. We maybe just need to update. Ah, yeah, I think I know. We need to offset it. To match. Yeah, the spherical is just spherical coordinates, so we can't really move the sphere. I'm getting a bit lost on this one. Maybe we should focus on something else, and I will fix that like the next session. Let's just try and see what goes. View position, smoothed. The new position. And the new position probably needs to be applied. Ah, yeah, I know. We need to set. So no, it's not set, it's copy. And we need to copy the target. And the target is there. It's gonna be slightly offset, but we can fix that later. And now it's not working. Sets from spherical. All right, I get it. Up, we can do it after. Add. Yeah, now that's better. Nice. Okay, that's cool. It's getting somewhere. Let me catch up with the chat. Javo, voilà. Now I use Autodesk Maya. Oh, Autodesk Maya, it's been a while. I stream a lot myself on current projects. India, where you from? I did a project for 1,200 and got taxed 500, which is normal. I mean, I get taxed more than that. When I do a project, I lose more than half of it, unfortunately. Don't we all love taxes? Yeah. I don't mind having taxes. What I don't like, let's talk about subject that I don't like. Today is about that. It's how this money is being used. I know it's not being used well. And you can't track it. You just know that's not being used well. Did anyone else notice? Zoom wheel. Installation. Alright, cool. French, yep. Probably heard from the accent. So, it's going well. We can zoom in, we can zoom out. We need to add some limits. We will add all the limits at the end only, because they might change depending on what we will do now. So now here's the idea. We need to do a right click, drag and drop. And when it's a right click, it needs to move the target. So right here, there is a target. And so you can see it, it's just a theoretical target. We agree we should know where our money goes. Yeah, and maybe choose where it goes, I don't know. In Belgium, if you work on your own, you almost give away, 70%. Damn, that's even more than me. May I ask how much your approachment earns your creative developer role? Me? When I was a creative developer, I can't really say, because it changed like from a month to another. No, I can't really say. I don't know, some people will also go crazy on how much I earn, but don't understand that I'm not giving to the, I already forgot. When you're old and you don't gain money, you get the, I forgot. Also like for the health, also for the taxes, so I prefer not to talk about that. Ah oui, légèrement, mais on dirait aussi que t'as un accent de l'Est. I have an Eastern accent. I have an Eastern accent. Ah, I have an Eastern accent. Which East? Pension, yeah, pension? Pension, do we say pension? Yeah, anyway. Those are the frustrating subjects. Let's go back to code, creative coding, the things we like. I'll let you, the chat, talk about that without me. So yeah, next part, we need the targets to move, like if we do a right click. So first we need to know that it's a right click, and we can know that with this one. I think there is some data here, like this. And if I do left click and right click, we get, oh, there's so much. Detail? I think it's detail. So detail is 1 here, and there, oh, it's 1 too. How do you know it's a right click? I've totally forgot about that. Oh, context menu. Really? Window event. Oh, that's an old code. Oh, button. Which 3? Okay. So we have which, and button. Oh, where is the alt? The alt is there. Oh, I can't. So left, right. Okay. And yet again in JavaScript you have like 10 different ways of doing the same thing. So, oh, let's test other ones. Oh, every buttons are working. That's cool. So which one are we going to use? Button 0, 2. Oh. Okay, the one is the wheel. And let me test on my Mac. 0. Oh shoot. 0, 2, 0, 2. All right, let's use this one. So if the button is 0, it's the left click. If the button is 2, it's the right click. What we can do is drag. How can we name that? Alternative. Drag. Optional. I don't have a name. The fact of using the right click to move laterally. Yeah, let's use alternative. Just alternative. By default, it's false, and if the yeah, this is a bit ugly. I will fix that later. So if the button should we use any click? No, let's do it. Yeah, by default. So if it's 2, I'm getting tired already. It's gonna be true, so it's the alternative one. Otherwise, it's gonna be false. So we can just do equal to like that, and it's the alternative one. Yeah, okay, let's go. So left is not the alternative one, and right is the alternative one, and the other ones work just like the default one. All right, that's cool. Now that we have this, we can update on the move and use that. Oh, actually, no, we can do it directly in the what's the name? The update. So let's go in the update. Yeah, instead of using this, so if the alternative, we do something. Curly bracket. See, I remembered. We do that. Else, we do something else, which is actually the opposite. So this is supposed to be... Oof. Yeah, I think the thing that will miss me the most is the trackpad. So there we need to do something different, and we need to move... Ah yeah, this one is going to be a bit tricky. Imagine that we have a target there. This target needs to move like left and right and up and down, but according to the camera. And to do that, I guess there are easy solutions, but I think we need to calculate where is the up, which is not really Z, because the camera can have an angle. And the up is actually the up of the camera. All right, so this one is easy. And the right is the right of the camera. Ah, that's interesting. Might not be that complex. Okay. So... yeah, I don't think I can do that live because I'm way too tired for that. Let me catch up with the chat quickly. Yeah, 2 hours. That might be why I'm getting tired. That's why I like, I guess, TypeScript. Everything typed, you get great. Ah, yeah, that's one of the... yeah, you're right about that. That's the best thing I think about TypeScript, the autocomplete. Oh, bank holiday is not next week. Still talking about taxes? Bank holiday, what's that? I don't think we have this in France. Lovely scene, thank you. So we can do the up and down. I wonder how we get the left and right of the camera. How can we do that? We have the up. Like if you check Three.js, it's sad because I did it like not long ago, but I forgot. If you take any object 3D, you get the up. There's a up somewhere. Yeah, up. Do we have left and right too? I don't think so. I wonder having to calculate this one ourselves. You want to pee? Oh, again. Puppy spent his time peeing. Yeah, that's sad. Why do we have up but not left and right? We can calculate it. We have the forward. No, actually, the forward is not that easy to calculate. Three.js. Calculate forward vector of camera. Should I do something like that? Get the direction in which the camera is looking. Oh no, don't do that. This will not work. You apply the quaternion. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, right. That's a good idea. Yeah. Simple as that. You don't need to understand the quaternion to that. Continue to the up and rotate it. Rotate the up, but yeah, but you rotate it according to the forward, and you don't have the forward, so it's the same issue. No, but yeah, you can just create a up and left, I mean more right vector, and then apply the quaternion of the camera, and it should be fine. Just a day off? Oh, okay, right. Oh, that's cool. Let's try to do that. After that, I think we will finish, or at least finish for the camera. I wanted to start with the camera so that we can enjoy and rotate around. We need to add the limits, by the way. And after that, we can do the animation of the mug, and the animation of the chair, the animation of the plants. The plants are going to be a shader. The animation on the Google Home, this one should be easy. Maybe I will finish with that. Let's see how tired I'm after this. I am, that's what I meant. See, I'm too tired. So yeah, let's go. So the target needs more data, I guess. Yeah, the target needs way more things on it. Target. Yeah, okay, let's go. So the target is gonna be an object. The targets will have a value, which will be this vector, why not? The target will have a smooth version of this value, and it's a default one, so don't forget to use the clone. I hope I'm not talking too much. It's kind of helping me focus. The smoothing, yeah, we can use it too. We will use it. For now, I think we will just update the value, just like we did for the spherical. Yeah, probably already. So now we need to fix the targets we've been using. So this one we add to the value, this one we add to the value too. Did I break something or not? Okay, everything is fine. So now that we have this, we need to calculate the up axis. So it's gonna be up. Let's just use up. So to calculate the up, we create a vector going up. I mean the word up. So we do new 3 vector 3 0 0 1. If we get the coordinates wrong, we will see it quite quickly. So it's gonna be fine. Right. So 0 0. I guess it's on the x. We can fix it later anyway. And then we apply the quaternion. And to apply the quaternion, it's apply quaternion. Yes. And it's gonna be the 3. Oh no, this dot camera. Oh, it's gonna be the wrong one. And I'm lazy, so let's take this one. Instance dot quaternion. Yeah. And the right, we do exactly the same. And we should get some different values. Let's see. Okay, that seems pretty cool. And if I'm more like that, yeah, it's 1. Yeah, see, that's exactly what we want. So now we have the up and the right of the camera. Actually, that's the up, like camera up and camera right. Are guys still talking about taxis? Should I check the chat? No, let's focus. Camera right. If only you knew. No, right. Focus. Shift. Yeah, okay. Now that we have this, we can use those values. Yeah, we can do exactly the same. So we need to do this. Oh, that's not that easy. We need to add it. Maybe we can just... Oh, that was a bad idea. Let's use up and down because I'm going to change them. So up. How do you scale a vector? I already forgot. Multiply scalar? Yeah, that's it. Oops. Okay. Multiply scalar. Let's do, I don't know, 0.01. On the right 2, 0.01. So now we have a smaller vector. And what we are going to do is add to the target. So target.value. Let's add, and we add the up. But we multiply the up according to the delta. And it's going to be the delta y. Delta y, but with the sensitivity, I guess. Ah, that's not that easy. The drag, there's a sensitivity for the rotation, and yeah, okay, I got something wrong. We can fix that later. As soon as it's working, we will fix all of those. Oh, that bothered me to use the scroll bar, but the shift is a bit weird. I'm not used to it. That's why people are using line breaks. If you have a trackpad, I mean, you don't, a good trackpad at least, you don't need that, but yeah. So multiply by the delta, x, delta. Yeah, the right is going to be on the x, and we add this like that. Yeah, I'm not sure of what I did. Target value, oh, never mind, it's not target, it's view target. Oh, it's working. Oh, damn. I'm surprised myself. I wasn't expecting it to work. Okay, this one is the opposite. Not a problem. You just need to invert on the right. Check that. So cool. It's working. That's great. All right, let me check the chat. You do a giveaway later? Maybe. Yes, I will. But you're not here for the giveaway, right? You're here to enjoy some coding because we've been playing with the navigation for 3 hours almost. It is my first day on Twitch and I'm a bit confused. What do you mean? As a viewer or you're doing streaming? Also check out, enjoy the stream, he's amazing, thank you. Thanks guys, check out his portfolio, thank you. Welcome, the guys in the stream is Bruno Simon. Yeah, it's funny to say Simon. It's Bruno Simon, by the way. You say it in French, Bruno Simon. I don't mind people saying Simon. Actually, a lot of people call me Simon. It's what happens when you have two first names. I'm new here, but it's very interesting. But it's interesting. I actually think it's a bit boring to do this. Sorry, I'm moving too much. This camera animation, but still, I know that a lot of people ask for how to do a good camera animation, and that's why I didn't add this kind of lessons. See how complex it is? And it's not done. We need to add limits, we need to add smoothing. It's so complex. And you can use the Orbit Controls camera, which is fine too, but I need more control, always. What does this channel work? Yeah, 3D in the web browser, exactly. It's better than complete silence. Yeah, true. Oh, well, chill music can be good too. Up and rotated. All right, we already talked about that. Just a national working day. All right, cool. Giveaway is at the end of the session. Yeah. No way, you get used really fast. Yeah, I'm new to Twitch too. We learned today what are bits. I mean, the difference between bits and coins, because I thought it was the same thing. Control click. Why control click? Actually, maybe more shift. Oh, you're right. Let's do shift and control because it depends on the what you are used to. Like on Substance Painter and Blender is different. I will. You're right. I will add a control and shift. You're a JS programmer, nice, but I never watch anything except for the stuff on YouTube. Live streaming is much cooler. Yeah, it depends on how much time you have. Me, I don't like to watch coding streams and even video game streams because I don't have much time. I have so many things to do. I need to go straight to the cool parts. Like when I watch video games, I just want the highlight, like the cool parts of the game or whatever. And I usually, like on YouTube, when I watch a YouTube video, I always press J and L, you know, it's to forward and backward, but super fast. It's faster than left and right because I don't have time. I want to get back to streaming or to freelancing or teaching or whatever. But yeah, that's how I am. Anyway, it's cool. We got it. It's working. We just need to do some fixes and add some limits and we will be done with the navigation and it's super cool. And I will add it to the prod version, to the live version so that you guys can test it. Oh, what's that squid? Oh, so cool. Where did you get that? Can I see the origin? Twitch global emote. Oh, okay, it's a global emote. Nice. Which game do you play? Currently, I played a lot of Tarkov with a friend. It was super cool, but I got like 2 or 3 days of just being killed in the face, whatever was my gear, and after that I went on a week holiday week, and now I don't want to play anymore. It was too much for me. And I play Valorant, I play Apex, I play we play Zomboid recently, but we did just one game. We'll see if we play again later. I do play some console games too, not currently, but like Death Stranding, God of War, more like story games. I prefer like FPS games on the desktop, I mean on the PC, and story games on the couch with a beer and my dog. It's the best. And the girlfriend, why not? BF, yeah, I'm waiting for this one. Battlefield, yeah, and I need a new GPU, by the way. Mine is not that bad, but I've heard that performances are not that great. Tarkov is cool when you have a lot of time to put in. Yeah, it's such a complex game. It was my first wipe, because the game gets wiped a lot. It was the first time I was so lost. You at least skip the parts of the video. My tricks is to put the video in 2. Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh yeah, actually, that's a very good idea. I will speed up the videos. Dota player, I'm sure we have some of those. More League of Legends, I guess. I don't play Dota of League of Legends personally, because there is too much to learn. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not into. I heard also like the community is quite salty, so I'm not a big fan. Valorant is fine. I mean, yes, we have some hiccups sometime and people screaming or whatever, but compared to other games, Valorant is quite mature. And I've been talking about video games for 10 minutes. Yay, got an early. Oh, nice. Oh, you got one. I need one. Yeah, those new GPUs, I need one, but I've heard that it's super complicated to get one these days. Thank you to cryptocurrencies. 30 years old with the mental age of 12 for one mistake. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Are you into science or any other subjects? Not particularly. I mean, I'm doing development and that's all. Have you ever played Rocket League? Yes, I did. But the problem with Rocket League is that you start learning super fast and then the learning curve is getting so slow. You just need to put 1,000 hours on it to get better, and it got really boring. Like, it's always the same. So I stopped. But it was a cool game. I mean, even the ID was great. Also, I was playing with a bad bandwidth at this time, and you get some very different stuff happening on your screen when you have a bad connection. Hollow Knight, what's that? Hollow Knight skill song? I don't know. Invoker? I don't know what you guys are talking about. Do you do? Oh, that's a nice Overwatch. Oh, that's cool. I played Overwatch. I will not play Overwatch 2 because for me it's not Overwatch 2, it's Overwatch 1.1 or even 1.01. Do you do some kind of talk show live stream? I think it will be a success. What do you mean by that? Talk show live stream? Astronia. Yeah, it was fun. It was so buggy when we started. I think I started on the beta. It was a bit too early. I should avoid playing beta games. Just like I bought No Man's Sky the first time and well, I asked for a refund like everybody. Now it's cool. Can you create animation moving objects? I will. We will move the chair and the plants. Maybe we'll find something else, but yes. And we will also animate some smoke out of the mug. Not much, but I'm not that inspired. I mean, it's quite a static scene. Have you played Disco Elysium? I don't know what's that. Disco Elysium. Oh, it's already late. Seems interesting. I will check that. Okay, what are you doing right now? Just communicating with the audience. Ah, okay, yeah. I wanted to do two things, which are actually not my ideas, but I forgot who told me to do that. Tell me what you think about that. Some sessions where we do reviews of professional websites. Like, I don't know, we go on awards, we do some selection. Actually, we can use the Discord server to see which one people want me to review. And reviews, follow me, of what the Three.js Journey students are doing. Are you from France? Yeah, obviously. What do you think? Doing reviews of websites and reviews of students' works. I think students' work are going to be super interesting because it's really like easy to improve. Like, you should just animate this camera, add some easing or things like that, and improve the colors or PP. Yeah, he did the PP. Discord is not working? Oh, I broke something. Discord. And now it's working. That's weird. Or maybe it was too close, I guess. Not nice. Is the weather nice there? Here it's fine. Got some clouds today, but I'm good with it. It's fresh at least. Alright. Should we add Discord to social? It's not... Oh, I forgot it. Yes, I forgot. Let me add it. I mean, add to my huge to-do for the stream. I want to improve the stream so much. I have great ideas, but I don't have time. Commands, what is it? Social, add Discord. Okay, it's in my to-do. Thank you. I think that is a good idea for feedbacks, reviews, work of students. Yeah. Don't play that much, no more time. Hey boy.
Seems to be waiting for something.
You think he's hungry?
Hey buddy, you got food, right?
Yeah. He ate everything. Hey buddy. Where is Wiz? Where is Wiz? Where is Wiz? Ow. Ow. You stay here? Huh? He's tired. He's yawning. Oh yeah, see? I fell. Okay, let's put you in the bed, okay? I want to stay on you. Okay. I think you just want attention. My advice for puppies is let them go out on a schedule like every hour or something. Oh, don't worry about that. Reward them if they go if they go to the bathroom. It's better to be proactive. Oh, don't worry for that. I've read so many books and so much videos, and it's not actually my first dog. But thank you for your advice. So next, we need to add some limit. Oh no, we need a smoothing. Yeah, raising a puppy is so hard. I mean, so much work. I wake up every 2 hours.
Yeah,
You want food?
yeah,
Oh, it's too early.
yeah, he's trying to.
Maybe a treat? Give me the chewy treats. 1 or 2, yeah. Yeah, we wake up every 2 hours to walk in, so that he learns that it's outside or nothing. But yeah, every 2 hours, you don't have a choice. Puppies have very small bladder. Smoothing, we need to do it on the. So no, it's not the spherical. It's on the target. Target, smooth, XYZ. We can do a lerp there, I guess. Let's do the same so that we have the same code. No, I'm doing some mistake there. Smooth X is going to be. So it's the value minus the smooth multiplied by spherical. No. So target smoothing multiplied by that. Do we have this? Yeah, smoothing. Okay, it's fine. And then we duplicate. And we do it on the Y and the Z. Then we can test the value. People tend to not really understand how hard it is to train a puppy. They take it like, yeah, it's just a puppy, he will live his life and we have nothing to do. Nope. Okay, the value seems fine. Okay, it's all good. The first few months are not that great. I mean, it's cool, but it's exhausting. Target value. You can put this one and this one. Yeah, check that. I think that's the best custom view I ever did. I will let you guys test shortly. Someone said, oh, there was something I needed to do. Oh yeah, add the control and shift. That was a great idea. Who said that? Having control and shift when we left click. That's such a good idea. And I will add it. Oh, that's not that easy actually to add it because of the structure of my code. I have a question, Tweet teacher. What happens when you create a web page with 3D, but the user has a bad connection and can't load it? Talk about performances. Talk about two different things. There is loading the website, and there is I was going to do the flip, handling the renders. So there is loading and performances, two different things. It's up to you to get this right and to make sure that before selling to the client, you're on the same page on what are supposed to be the performances and the weight of your website. So unfortunately, you need experience with that. There are many solutions to get better performances and you need to apply those from the beginning. The same way that there are techniques to get something really small as possible, maybe add some lazy loading, maybe use special compression, maybe use like deflate on the server, Draco compression, many things like that. And you can get such a small website. Check the Bruno Simon website. I don't know if you guys know about Bruno Simon. It's a great developer. And see the weight. Some people, while I was posting images and videos on Twitter of the work in progress, people were telling me, oh, that's great, but it's going to be so heavy. Check that. When you start, I just downloaded. No, let's wait. I need to change to. Oh, it's in all. Why do we have only part of it? Oh, yeah, that's it. It should. Oh, there's an issue. Oh, shoot. It's okay. Good thing we did that. It was supposed to be 3 megabytes only. The deflate is not working anymore. Thank you, 1&1. Don't use 1&1, guys. It's trash. I'm sure this one is not deflate. Oh, it is? Okay, there's something weird happening. Anyway, it's just 7 megabytes. And when you start, it keeps loading like the images and things like that. Oh, we got some errors. No, it's the sound. It's okay. And in the end, can we see it? 8 megabytes. Oh, transferred. Oh, yeah, that's the one. What? It's so small. Actually, it's smaller than what I was expecting. No. It's supposed to be bigger. No, there's a bug. I mean, it says that it's 2 kilobytes transferred, but no, it's much more. Oh, wait, I have... Okay, disable cache. Never mind, sorry. That's the number you should watch. See? You can start the experience at 2 megabytes, which is kind of a page with 1 or 2 images on it. The CSS, the JavaScript, so it's just like a normal page. And you can already start. You start. The rest is being loaded, 4 megabytes. I know that the resources are more, but those are the what you load, and this is what gets uncompressed. So you can do a lot of effort and get something like that, and you have a full world, you can run around, and yeah. Need to optimize everything. It takes time, experience, but still it's possible. I went a bit far on that. Yeah, it's super small, and I can even do better now because I know how to do better, but yeah, that's actually quite cool. Sir. Like my students. Actually, they don't call me sir. I've learned that.
Bruno Simon.
Bruno Simon, they call me Bruno Simon. I mean, some of them.
Mr. Bruno Simon.
Mr. Bruno Simon. Do you recommend using mainly low poly on web? Yeah, as low poly as you can, but it's okay to have a lot of polygons. See this scene? It's 7,000 vertices. 7,000 can seem a lot, or it's nothing. Like check the GLB file. Where is it? The GLB file is 2 megabytes. No, wait, actually, I think it's less. Maybe there's something wrong on that. Or is it? I'm lost. What are those? I never added those. Oh, come on, Windows. I mean, I probably did a shortcut unintentionally. Stream over it. Yeah, I can start from here. My room, static, assets. Yeah, it's 2 megabytes. Never mind. It's a bit more than what I thought. Did I use Draco compression? No, I wonder. Maybe there's something wrong. Anyway, it's not that much for so many polygons, and see the performances is fine. It's what to do with it that's matter. Like if you use complex shaders, many lights with shadows, with blurred shadows and post-processing, well, it will be a mess. But right now it's just textures placed on many vertices. It's nothing. The JPEG files need optimization. It's slow, but I will probably use something else. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, less than 10 megabytes for a big thing like that, it's okay. And I didn't optimize anything. But yeah, try as much low poly as possible, but don't force yourself. Bruno, I have to go. Oh, okay, Fuse, bye. Probably already gone. Teacher, what happened? Team better than individually, that's for sure. 100. Oh yeah, we have so many. What happened? Did we get a red or something like that? Will Lille win League 1? I don't watch football. What, that football? iDev? Ancien Lillois. Many French people, I guess. My advice for puppies. Okay. Got the chat. Oh, thank you, Pratamesh. Uptimes 2 hours. Yeah, but it's a lot of just discussion. Even lighter than jQuery. No. No, I don't think so. Maybe the early jQuery. Clear the cache. Yeah, that was it. Thank you. All right, let's go. I'm super happy with the navigation. Let's just make sure that we have some limits. First, we can add limits to the target. And the target is there. And we can do this view target limits. Oh, this one is going to be quite long to write because I'm not used to Windows. That's on me. X, we need a min and a max. Min is gonna be, I don't know, like minus, how much actually? Let me check. Oh, when we will merge all the geometries, the model will be so small. Can I do it quickly? Did we change to, no, okay, it's fine. Maybe I can do it quickly. Let me see. Probably gonna broke everything, but let's see. No, not like that. Like that. Control D, no. Shift D, Control J. Yeah, see now we have only one. And this, we can put it, we don't care. Let's put it there for now. All right, so inside of this, we have that much vertices, so a bit less than 70,000. Export GLB, and we export that GLB file there. And we ask no export there. The UVs, yep, includes. Oh, I didn't add the compression. See, check that. We had 2.3 megabyte. We now have 2.3 megabyte. Oops. What did I do? No. Export GLB. That's a fail. I know. Oh no, never mind. Didn't update it. Thank you, Windows. Now we have not even 300 kilobytes for that many vertices. No, not that many, like 70,000 vertices. Let's see if it's working. Maybe I broke something. Yeah, I did. Oh, the decoder. I need to add the decode. Well, let's add the decode. If you use Draco, obviously you need to add activity bar, toggle activity bar. Sidebar visibility. Oh no, that's not the right one. Oh, come on. Toggle, I think it's activity. Yeah, okay. Damn, that was complex. We need to add the loader for this one. I think it's over there. Draco, are you using Draco? Oh, I forgot to put it in the static. Yeah, that's on me. We can get it from Three.js. We need to download it. Oh, everything got complicated suddenly. Anyway, it's interesting. So right now I have a model that is using a Draco compression, which is not that... I mean, it's not necessary because the model is not that heavy, but still, let's use that. So what I will do is just download as a zip because we don't need the dependency. We need what's inside of it. Let's wait a bit. Damn, so heavy. Oh, probably models. Hey, boy.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Distraction. How do we do on Windows? Extract all. Alright. Ow!
What was that? You give me my toy.
Yeah, the toy.
Oh, really?
But he got bored.
Oh, he got
Yeah, the
bored.
boy got bored.
I got a donation for toys for boy.
Oh, that's so cute.
Who did the donation? I already forgot. Sorry, I'm bad at that. I have bad memory. Who did the donation for toys for boy? Toys for boy. Draco didn't work for me with Blender shapes last year. Yeah, there was some issue. Wasn't. Oh yeah, cool. Let me save that somewhere. Because I will forget us for sure. Donations. Saved. What was I saying? Yeah, thank you, Bjorn. I forgot. Yeah, I'm getting tired. Draco didn't work for me. Oh yeah, that was it. Yes, we had some issues with Draco. I think the latest version of Blender fixed everything about Draco. So give it a try again. Should be fine. Can you apply dynamic data to Three.js? What do you mean by dynamic data? I guess so, but what do you mean by that? That is correct. Yep, completely. Or he's in love. Use vanilla JavaScript in Three.js. Yep. I'm more a vanilla JavaScript guy. He's using Three.js to load the 3D scene. Yep. Did you use a game engine? Nope. No, if you're talking about the portfolio, no, I did everything on my own. More control and everything was so small. I mean, if you use the Unity to create that, you know that you can export to the web with Unity. You will end up with a website that is 400 megabytes at least. So that's why I like to do it on my own. I know I can, it's longer, but I have more control and it's so light, and we need people to just click and enjoy. That's what we want. So yeah, it's important. So let's find it. I think it's over. What is the Draco thing? I don't know. I think it's in examples, right? Examples, file, no. Font.js. Render, post-processing, physics. No, that's not there. Usually I always know, but now I forgot. Can I search for it? I'm not sure I can do that. Let's try. If I'm here and I do Draco libs. Oh, thank you. Because Mac, if you try to search for something, don't expect to find something. And the search on Mac is the worst thing ever. And I'm trolling again. I mean, I'm spitting on Mac. Sorry. Okay, we had it probably... Oh, Draco is there. What? Wrong 3. We have Draco. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Draco. Oh, I'm so bad. That was the reason. Oops. That's better. I just forgot the slash there. Oh, come on. When they did the set decoder part, they could not just add automatically the slash, the trailing slash. So anyway, now what I wanted to say, my point was that we have a model that is only 300 kilobytes heavy. So it's nothing. The textures can be optimized. So right now it's 6 megabytes. It can clearly be optimized. You can use Basis, which is a bit hard, but possible. And I applied 0 compression on this JPEG file to have no artifact and just see how it should be without compression. We could have used PNG too, but I think it's gonna be a JPEG at the end. So yeah, that's the kind of optimization you can do. And by the way, you can learn those optimization on the Three.js Journey. He did all on his own. Yeah, I did everything. It was actually my biggest Blender project at that time. I was just like a friendly Blender user, and I was like, okay, I need to step up the game. So Control B, yeah, that worked, and Control Shift B, no, this one is not working. Command B, not working. Command Shift B, yeah. Whatever. The portfolio is made in Unity? No, that was exactly what I was saying. It's made in plain JavaScript and Blender and things like that. I wouldn't expect to find anything on Windows as well. It worked. It worked actually. I was surprised too. Okay, so Nightbot doesn't post the link if the command is in a reply. Okay. I didn't block the links with Nightbot. Currently everybody can post links. Maybe I should not have said that, but we will see. You can fetch the models and attach event handlers to each like HTML tags somehow. Okay, maybe Nightbot doesn't like you. Give a hug. Oh, thank you for the hugs. For the hug, by the way. Yes, there's a hug comment. I don't know why I added that. Everybody loves hugs. To bake fast the material, we have a massive PC. Nice. 64 gigabytes of RAM. Nice. RTX 380. Give it to me. I need one. Do you guys know how I can get one? I mean, legal. I mean, not like a revendeur, a reseller, please. Let's not push this and buy everything the right way. 400 megabytes, that's going to take age. Yeah. That's why you don't see games on the web made with Unity. It's too big and not very optimized. it's already great that you can do it. I mean, it can be useful at very specific situations, but that's all. Data that may be generated by user, creating, deleting a basic CRUD. What was the question already? Shoot, I forgot. Can you apply dynamic data to Three.js? Ah, yeah, in a way, I mean, you can connect your JavaScript to a server and get some result. We will do something with that room. I think at some point we will use the chat of Twitch to control the lights, just the light for beginning, but we can add more and maybe put stuff on the screen and the data will come from Twitch. So that's kind of that. Yeah, you can do it, but you have to connect everything. Hey, greeting from Colombia. Nice. What time is it in Colombia? Why are you using Windows in this period? Because no, let's not talk about this. Ask Linus Tech Tips for spare RTX. Linus Tech Tips? Is it someone? Hugs. Many hugs. The portfolio is insane. I know it probably took a lot of work. Yeah, I spent 3 months, but not like full time. It was evening and weekends on it. But it was really fun. I really enjoyed creating it. Let's go promo course. Yeah. Oh, okay. So it's time to eat. GeForce now is better. Oh, really? Do you use Node.js? Sometimes. I'm not a big fan because I think it's not that stable compared to, I know some people will jump from with what I'm going to say, but like PHP. But still, I think Node.js is really cool. I mean, what you can do with Node.js is crazy. I've used it. I mean, if you need to do like, I don't know, like a online game, go for Node.js. WebRTC, sockets, whatever. Have you tried Stadia? If your internet is good. Ah, yeah, that might be a good idea. Yeah, is Stadia still a thing? We don't hear much about it, but now I have a good bandwidth. I can do this kind of stuff. Oh, it's getting late then. Any news on interviews about your work life as a creative developer? Or interviews? There are some. But I can't remember which one. I did some interviews. Oh, I did a podcast. Oh, it's a French podcast, but the guys didn't. Macchio and Flows, that's their pseudonyms. Never edit the podcast. I mean, they will, but they're always super busy, and you need to speak French. Yeah. Can the light of the room window change depending on the time of the day? Yeah, actually, I wanted to create at least 2 moods: the night one and the day one. But I think it's getting a bit too complex and I'm starting to get bored with that project. And the goal of those streams is also that I enjoy doing it. Otherwise, it's going to get boring for everybody. So at least we'll be able to control the lights and maybe I will add day and night. I will see if it's hard or not. We already have the lighting, actually. Check that. Or is it there? There. Yeah. So that's not really day, but more like sunset. And yeah, I think it looks great too. Maybe it's not that complicated. I need to check that. I don't know. There is the neutral one, which is kind of white, but that's for modeling, I mean texturing. Anyway, this one is the merge one. Let's just save in case we need it at some point. Merge up, we close it. What was I doing? Navigation, this one is not safe. Oh, we got so far. -3. Max, it's gonna be 3. We need a limit on the Y. On the Y it's gonna be, so the Y is going up. I got this one wrong actually a bit earlier, I said Z. I was used to Blender. So on the Y, I think it's gonna be, I don't know, like 4 and 1 maybe. And on the Z, it's supposed to be squared. That's why I opened Blender. Damn, I got lost so far. I wanted to check the size of the room. So units or whatever you want, but right now we can use that to see 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's use 4. So 4, 4, 4, 4. I mean -4. And going up, it's gonna be 1. Yeah, I think 1 is fine. Oh, I got this one wrong actually. So this one is gonna be 1, and this one is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's French for 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ichi. Can you do a shader that will interpolate between two lighting textures? Yeah, absolutely. Actually, those are just textures. You can just fade between those. It's not that complicated. I mean, you have to do your custom shader anyway, but the shader is not, once you know shaders, doing a fade between two textures is not that complicated. You can use the mix. The mix function will do a mix between one value, another value, according to third value, which is a float. And maybe I will add that. Actually, I don't think it's that complicated. We will see that. So I have those limits. Now we can just make sure that the targets will use those. I hope it's okay to talk that much. I mean, we still have a lot of viewers, so if you guys are not leaving, it's okay, right? Oh. You're working with only one hand? Boy is sleepy again. Where should I put it? We are updating the target. Oh yeah, right here. Apply limits. So let's do it. Not that easy, but we can do it. It's gonna be. He's doing some noise while sleeping. So cute. Yeah, you will hear me say that quite a lot. So we do a max. We use the initial value. Then we use the minimum value. So it's gonna be this dot min, I guess. And oh, the min value in the max. Yeah, that's it, I guess. Min value, and then oof, come on, max. All right, I think that's it. Y, Z. Okay, I think those limits are fine. We save, we test. Finger crossed. Nope. So what did I do wrong? View target value X. It's the max between the minimum value and the maximum and the current value. The max between the minimum value and the current value. It should work. I did something wrong, but I don't see what. We're using the value to then update the smoothing. So the smoothing is updating according to that, so it should be fine. I got something wrong. NVIDIA Quadro. I don't know much about the GPUs. I just know that you have those new super powerful GPUs. I just want one to make sure that Battlefield is running at 144 FPS. Guten gemacht. Good gemacht? What is it? Is it like good afternoon? Good gemacht. Is this good one? Quadro, like something that will help me use and render using Blender. I know that people that do a lot of 3D, they use like multiple GPUs. That's a good solution, I think. I can share a free month of Stadia link. Oh, that's nice, but I'll be fine. Thank you. Very cool lighting. Thank you. Whoa, PHP instead of Node. Oh, yeah. Oh, so much. Like if you want to do a simple website, you actually have nothing to do. It's just working. Nobody wants... Let's not start the debate. Nobody wants it, especially video games developers. Nobody want what? What was the subject? Ah, Stadia. Ah, okay. That's what I thought. I don't think it's mocking. Good job. Oh, okay. I was wrong about that. Yeah, my German is very bad. Close to nothing. Yeah, 3 hours. Oh, how did you get that? 2 hours and 59 and 59. Nice catch. Is it still daylight in France? Yeah, currently, but it's the sun is going down. Don't think. She was going to sing Death Stranding main song. Should I sing it? I can put it. Oh no, I can't put it on Spotify. Ah, too bad. So let's fix the min and max. I don't know why it's not working. I mean, the min, is it the right value or what? Maybe I got it wrong. Let me check. Then we do it for the so -4. Yeah, it's working. Then we do it for the angle, and we are done with the view. I will add the rest later. So this is the max. This is the min. Yeah, it should. Oh, never mind. It is working. What? Okay, I was just drunk, or I used this one. I was testing on prod. Nobody told me. You guys are trolling me. I know that. To group the tab together. Yeah, I know. Got it. Okay. I always click on remind me later. Alright, so we have the limits. So right now when you do the left click, yeah, you get stuck to the end of the room, and that's exactly what we wanted. We said that we wanted also to add support to the control and shift to activate the alternative, and it's gonna be done when we down. Let me see. On mouse down. Yeah, that's it. Oh, actually, yeah, we can just do that. What are the name? So if I press Control and click, I think it's Control actually. Control key, yeah. So we do. How do you do a pipe on Windows? Ah, I got it. No, it's not working. What? Pipe. Okay, that was me. Event.control key, and I guess we have the Shift key too. Shift, yeah, easy. Or I can do it or, yeah. I will get used to it, I'm sure. The problem is that I sometimes code on Mac, sometimes on Windows. I don't know if I can get used to switch between them. So if I do Shift, oh yeah, it's working. Oh, that's so cool. I love it. Oh yeah. Maybe I should export that class and give it to whoever needs it. We'll see. So now, same thing on the angle. We just need to figure out how to block the angle. Spherical, is it on spherical? Yeah, we can just put it there. So limit. Oh, we do exactly the same thing. So limit like that, spherical. Target, target, target. We have the zoom. No, not the zoom. Sorry. Radius. Yeah, that's it. Radius. Minimum is going to be, I don't know, like 10. Yeah, I think 10 is a good solution. The max is going to be 40. Let's add more just in case someone wants to go far away. We have the, is it the phi? Yeah, phi and theta, I guess. Is it? Yeah, phi and theta. Yeah, that's it. So the phi is going to be minimum, I don't know, like small value like 0.01. And the max is going to be math pi multiplied by 0.5. Then the other one, we don't have limits. I forgot to change that. So phi like this. Plain JS with Three.js. Yeah. Nope, he did in pure JavaScript. Yep, I believe he made it from scratch. Three.js, not a game engine. No, indeed, it's just like a 3D rendering library in the browser. Is it in pixel? No, those are angles. I mean, that's the radius is just a unit. You can see that like 1 meter, but that doesn't mean actually anything. It's just units, and the rest are angles. It's like the rotation angles, those up and down. We are on a sphere, as you can see. It's like you have the camera stuck on a sphere. Sorry, I had to go and didn't hear if you answered my question. What was the question? But did you use for your website a game engine? Oh, okay, the answer to this. I use Three.js and also the Canon.js library to add physics. I didn't do the physics on my own. It's way too hard, and I would have done it wrong. We use setting sync on VS Code. Yeah, and that's why it's all messed up. I synced between a Mac and a PC, and the shortcuts are all broken, which is kind of logical because we don't have the same keys, like command, option, control on Mac, and it's different on PC, so yeah. Oh no, I can't understand anything. What are you talking? Oh, I see. Yeah, me neither. Please keep it in English. Alright, so the chat is getting trolly these days, at least today. Did you know some Italian? No. No. And I'm not going to say anything. Maybe a ciao at the end of the stream. Destra, sinestra. That's left and right. Prego. Pronto. Did you start coding for this project? I did it. Sorry. Did you start coding for this project on this stream? Yeah, I do all the project live, except some very small, boring stuff like baking or fixing bugs. You can ask in French, but I always answer in English. And you can ask in German, but I won't get a single thing of what you said. Bruno, classroom is better than school, so stay here. Nah, go to school. Depends on the school. What school? Which is better, GLB, FBX, or OBG? Oh, that depends. If you want something standard and you want something that looks standard too, like, metalness, roughness, those PBR principles, use GLB, definitely. If you just want geometries or things like that, use FBX. Oh wait, FBX, you get the scene tree, so you can have more complex scene. But I think OBJ, you get only like one mesh, right? I haven't used FBX and OBJ for a while. I use FBX for Substance Painter, I think. I go to sleep. I gotta go to sleep because I got school tomorrow. Ah, yeah. Did you ever consider using TypeScript with Three.js? I did actually, and it was just overcomplicated. I don't need it. I did projects too with a freelance project with TypeScript. Not really useful. Actually, the projects got really messy even by using TypeScript. So no, not very good experiences with TypeScript. Still, I think it's a good idea, but I'm not convinced. And it adds a layer. Remember that I'm teaching in school, like real school, to fully beginners, that people that never code in their life, and I have to teach them. And this way I have really like a vision, like what it is to start today. And it's so complicated. Like you need to learn bundlers, you need to learn preprocessing, you need to learn React, you need to learn many libraries, and it takes years. And should it be like that or not? I don't think so. So I'm kind of trying to simplify everything as much as possible, especially because those tend to disappear. Just like jQuery disappeared, CoffeeScript disappeared. Those were good ideas and they help at some point, but now they are gone. So it's not that simple, and I always ask myself, is it really good for beginners or not? You know any good resources to find what people charge for Three.js developers? No, you have to ask people. Don't hesitate to ask me in private. I will tell you what I know about that, and from what I know from other developers too, I might be able to help. It's always hard to know how much you should charge, especially when you start. You can make a game with Three.js though. Yeah, true. More work, but yeah. I didn't know you could do that in JavaScript. Yeah, that's what I like. Like you don't even know how it's possible to get there. You should be invited to _ my code Twitch French show. I don't know who's that. It's a lot of visibility and you're exactly in the right domain. Why not? Maybe you can send me some information in private or Discord, or I can check that. Might be interesting. To keep the size down, I will remade it from scratch. Yeah, to keep the size down. Yeah, and performance is good, and have full control over everything. And to have fun too. I like to create those kind of stuff. Okay. Yeah, people need to know the base of all the frameworks, JavaScript, and it's often not the case. Yeah. Now you have people that know React but doesn't know JavaScript. I've seen people, and maybe some of you, and you will pay it at some point. That's for sure. Trust me. I started learning jQuery before learning JavaScript. It was a mistake. Not my fault. The teachers told me to do that. Yeah, people need to know the base of all this. I remember learning coding at university. Then when I started my first job, it was like, yeah, okay, exactly. Recently, they added coding lessons in France to, how do you say? I mean, young students, so not after, I don't know exactly, it's not the same in every country, but quite young. I think it's great. They are doing Python. And I hope they are doing it well, which is probably not the case, but yeah, at least they start young. Finally, we are so late, like always. Not having IntelliSense is a nightmare. Yeah, it might be. Bundlers are really a pain in the butt. Yeah, bundlers are getting so complicated. Yeah, everything is getting way too complicated. And then you have, yeah, this is a new bundler, and it's more simple, and it's built on top of Webpack. No, stop. It's not more simple if it's built on top of something else. So yeah, TypeScript make it easier. Yeah, for some point, like IntelliSense, I agree with that. That's for sure. That's a good argument. Argument? Opinion? I don't know exactly. FBX manipulate multiple animations. Okay. Yeah. GLB does support animation. GLB is really becoming the standard. You might have a heavier file, but usually we just use GLB, especially if you want something standard and realistic. I think the guy that created Three.js is the CEO now. CEO of what? I mean, I don't know exactly what is Three.js in terms of company. I don't think it's a company. I don't think there's a company behind Three.js. You can ask Mr. Doob. Is Three.js a company? No, I don't think it is. Chairman. Blue Classroom is better than school to say. Alright. 3 hours and 11 minutes. Let's go. The goal is not to do the longest stream. I stop whenever I feel like I should stop. And when I'm hungry. Actually, it's time to eat. Let's finish the navigation. I was showing my mom JS. Apparently, she learned from Pascal back in the day. Yay. Yeah, our parents tend to have done that. Awards have big impact for your life. Yes. Not in the late recently, because once you're popular enough, you don't really need that. But awards, FWAs, things like that, you get so much visibility when you're just starting, and I think it's the best thing ever. Like for a student that create a cool website, a cool portfolio, to become famous because of awards, because of FWA, because of Twitter and creating the buzz. That's for me the main reason and the coolest thing with awards. Some of my students got famous this way, and I'm so glad for them. It's add animation channel for everything that is animated. It adds animation channel. Sorry, I misread what you wrote. I've guessed you on Discord about Three.js which stuff. Okay, cool. Thank you. I will check that. Maybe not right after. Maybe tomorrow. I have so much to do tonight. I can try to make a good Webpack config I can use on every project. I wasted many days on that. Yeah, I know. That's the issue. We are digging ourselves with the complexity. We are burying ourselves under complexity, and we can't even see it. Of course, whenever you have time, technically that's bad for realistic. Nobody hire a JS pro. The demand is for the framework users like React. Yeah, there is a lot of. Oh, careful with Angular. This is wrong. Angular is just Google pushing their how do you say, like they have. I don't even have the French word for that. Just forget about Angular. It's just big companies being targeted by Google so that they use Angular, and it's always that. Or people that have got misinformed about that, just forget about Angular. It's bad, it's way too complex, and we just need to forget about it. The cool thing with Angular is the first version of Angular was actually kind of the real start of data binding. And it was so cool to have this. Then we had React, Vue.js, now it's completely different. But yeah, don't do Angular. Or every time it's the same. I have a company that say, well, yeah, we use Angular, and I ask why. And they have been approached by some experts, and now they use it. And I ask the developers, so what do you think? It's a nightmare, always. They are like, we don't know why we use that. And they have to participate to how do you say, formation. I mean, they spend days learning React, and in the end they're like, it's worth nothing because only big companies are using that. And anyway, I had to work with, yeah, in college we have a course web expert and we have to use Angular. Oh no. Just ask why and you will see there's something behind. There is always something behind. Like someone that said something wrong, he did a search on Google and oh, you should use Angular. Or Google that approached them or through other people approached them and misinformation. That's why Nest.js so good. Maybe for backend, actually, why not? I don't know exactly. I have no opinion on that. Using Angular for backend, I don't know. They ask so many stuff in plain JavaScript and some absurd advanced data structure, really? Oh, I hate those kind of interviews. Over-engineering, exactly! Oh, I was so mad when I saw what Angular was. When we say Angular, so now it's Angular, but it used to be Angular 2. I was so mad. It's exactly the opposite of what I want for my students. And yeah, I was so mad. And today I'm mad about everything, as you can hear. Hire JS Pro, the demand is for the framework users like React, Angular, Vue. Yeah, that's true. Oh my god, in my case it was worse. I entered to work with Angular 2 and they forced me to use AngularJS. Damn, that's bad. What a story. Safari is worst browser and we as creative developer always annoys because of Safari. Not anymore. I mean, Safari is now using the same engine as Chrome. It's sometimes a bit late and Apple, and this is the Apple time, tends to deactivate important features. Let's not talk about those features, but it's not that bad today. Safari is getting better because now they are using Chromium, so it's fine. But still, Chrome and Firefox are more than enough, so let's not use Safari. Jen Simon is doing so much for Safari. Yeah, some people are pushing good stuff. I know. But it's much better today. Chrome is a CPU hog. Yeah. How many tabs open do you have? Just asking for a friend. Brave. Yeah, I tested Brave. Why not? I mean, it's fine. Actually, I got some issues, like people that told me they could not join my course, the Three.js Journey course, because they have a bug, and it was because of blame. And I think they activated something that blocked the thing from working, so sometimes they have bugs, but yeah. I've heard good things about Brave. I like they do this. Politics, yeah, that's politics, indeed. Angular is more robust for big apps. Learn TypeScript. Oh yeah, I forgot that. Angular, you need TypeScript. Come on. Bye. In college, we have a course, Web Expert. Okay. Like a minimum to add to the wallet. Brave rewards are a bit pointless. Oh, there are rewards. What the hell? WebView personally, how many tabs? Yes. Good answer. No, it's getting a bit more complicated. Safari is using Chromium, isn't it? WebKit? No. Things got so complicated. I prefer not to say anything about that because I might be wrong. But right now, I'm quite sure it's the same engine between Safari and Chrome. But still, there are differences for the version, but also some features you can activate and deactivate. And Safari doesn't have the exact same features. Also, React Beacon, So yeah, that's why it's getting better. Chromium is a very cool thing, and it's getting so good and performant, and evolutions are happening faster. So yeah, I think that's really cool for the web. Next.js 3. Oh yeah, cool. It's been a while. I only do WebGL now. Maybe I should do more stuff. Actually, I'm doing 3D, so yeah, anyway. Alright, sorry I talked so much. I hope it's fine. Let's finish that. We wanted to add the limits on those, radius and phi. We don't care that the... Oh wait, phi? Oh no, we do care about the theta. Theta is the one doing left and right, right? Yeah, that's it. So this one is going to be... I don't know, actually. Maybe we can test minus 75? 0.75? Oh. Strikeout. No, we don't need this one. Oh, wait. I'm doing so many mistakes. call an object. All right, we got this. Yeah, okay, so this is that, so maybe minus 0.5. Oopsie, 0.5. Yeah, okay, that's the right one, and this one is probably 0, right? Yeah, okay, 0. So we have 0 there. So the mean value, no, it's max value. Max value is 0. And the minimum value, and I'm way too tired to do those calculations. Oh, shoot, I forgot. What was the value? Minus 0.5, right? Yeah, I think that was it. Minus 0.5. Yeah, that's it. And the default one, we said 25. Okay, that's great. We need to apply those, so we can do exactly the same thing as we did there. After that, we are done, and we can do the giveaway and get some food. I'm getting hungry. Where was it? Apply the limit, but that's just on the drag when it's the alternative version. So we need to do there. Like that. Yeah, those are the values we need to test. We can apply the limits like that. So let me make this one bigger. I just need more room. So the theta is like that. It's the base value, and we use the max, no, the mean, and then the max, like that. Then we can do for the phi, so it's gonna be phi, and I think we are good to go. We just need to do the radius later. So right now, yeah, see, now we are blocked, like that, and like that. All right, that's cool. That's cool. I'm using left and right click in case you're wondering how I navigate through it. And then we need to do it for the radius, and the radius was being handled. Where was it? There? No, it's the smoothing. How do we handle the radius? It was not. Yeah, we did the radius differently. We should not have to do that. I say we because we share the burden when there is one. The radius is there. No, the radius is there. Yeah, that's weird. And for this one, we did that. Yeah, no, this is not good. Not good at all. We need to fix that. All right, first let's fix it. We need to save the delta. Yeah, let's go the same way. Let's not complexify everything. So we need to save the delta. So we're going to do zoom in, delta plus equal delta, I guess. And then we can go there. And the same way we updated the drag values. No, it's the spherical values. All right, that's a bit complicated. Sleepy? We can update it there, and we apply, so it was, sure, I already forgot. This one. Yeah, I'm breaking everything right now. Okay, it's sleeping. Shh. So the radius, and then we need to reset it, so we can do it there. Zoom delta equals 0. Okay, I probably broke everything. Let's see. Oh no, it's fine. I have my meat. Yeah. Sorry. Can you zoom in? Oh no. Yeah. Just orbital viewing. Yeah, but we did our custom one, which is better. Depends on full stack, but no, let's not read the chat. Let's finish that first, then I read the chat while it's updating on Vercel. We have the radius, now we can apply the min and max better, so we can do it there, I guess. Let's put it full like that. Drag, apply limits, yeah, zoom. Zoom. No, it's not zoom, it's radius. No, it's kind of zoom. Yeah, let's use zoom. Oh, I'm too tired. Let's finish that. The radius. So it's not the theta, it's the radius, and we use this spherical limit theta radius min max. Yeah, I guess. Oh no, he's awake. No, he's awake. Now if I zoom in, it stops at some point, and if I zoom out, it stops too. Yay, it's working. So if you're smart, you can maybe do, yeah, that. But I think it's fine. Yeah, people can go through stuff, it's fine. Not that much actually. That's super nice. So yet again, I have to warn you, it's not going to work that much on mobile. I will do the mobile offline because it's boring. We will do more animation next time. Smoke on the coffee, the LEDs there. Maybe the light maps. Maybe the light maps are a bad idea actually. Anyway, push. Yeah, let's push. Git branch. Let's push. What can I name it? I'm too tired. Sparkles, view. I can't help myself to try to do clean commits. View, no, navigation, view. Improve. Too tired. Git switch, we go to the prod, we merge the main, push, and we get back to the main. Alright, it's coming. Let me catch up with the chat. 1 month and 3 weeks. Oh, so long. It's funny, every time there is one doing a flow edge, you can be sure there are other ones. I want to move the TV, for example. Move the TV? Nah. No. The problem is that everything is baked. It's all static. We can have very limited animations with that technique, but it's limited. And we can't move the TV. But we can do stuff like put pictures on the TV. I want to animate the light behind the TV. It's not going to be easy. I'm not sure it's going to work, but still, maybe it will work. But yeah, it's a bit more complicated. Who do you think badass WebGL agency you know? Active Theory. Oh yeah, I think they are the best. Active Theory. What else do we have? Immersive Garden is doing great stuff too, obviously. Oh, Make Me Pulse. Make Me Pulse, obviously. Wait, I have something. Oh, what's the name? Oh, they did the Lord of the Rings stuff. They did Harry Potter stuff. I don't have it. Was it Active Theory? I don't think it was Active Theory. No, it wasn't Active Theory. I don't know. Hervé Studio is doing quite a lot of stuff too, but it's more into design. Doing God's work with those clean commits. Yeah, let's try to keep everything clean. I want to move the TV furniture. Push. Hey mate, getting late. We'll catch you tomorrow. Alright, bye. See you. We do the giveaway shortly, by the way, if some of you are waiting for it. Alright, 136. Yeah, so many. Maybe now is the best time. Is it? Do you guys think that it's more like the best time to stream? Because it's a bit too late for me. I'm getting way too tired. Can I learn the theme you're using, please? Nobody answered to arcade. It's... Oh, he's peeing again. Damn, he's peeing all the time. You have the keys? Retreat. Let's go. What was I saying? Oh yeah, it's Pale Night. Or maybe someone answered actually. Pale Night. It's a material theme. Sorry. Just orbital viewing. Can you zoom in or no? Yeah. Now we can. Depends on my career. I think I answered this. Big mobile update also. No man, WebGL and Blender is way funnier, I guess. Funner. Do we say funner? Than knowing all those rectangular. Yeah, I agree with that. I prefer so much. I mean, I've been doing backend, frontend. I've been using data mining frameworks, but WebGL and Blender, I just love it. Built VPN and different types. All right, nice. I'm seeing more big teams take on Vue recently. Yeah, I think the battle is still on. Vue is usually a relief. Like when I hear people talking about their job with React, they're like, it's complicated. And when I talk to people using Vue, they're like, oh, it's easier. So yeah, I don't know. Brave is controversial. They've done some shady stuff before. What? What are those shady stuff about Brave? Like a minimum to add a wallet. Yeah, so chill you can. Alright. So is it updated or what? We can't... Oh, that's weird. Maybe it's Notion. Yeah, it's working. Check that. Let's go. What do you guys think? By the way, I would like you to test and tell me if it's intuitive, if it's working. It's not working on mobile, okay? On mobile, you can just drag and drop to... Oh wait, she let the water boiling. There was once she let some water boiling and went to bed. And I started to feel heat and a strange smell. It was just like the empty, how do you say, the empty shoe. Plate, not plate. I forgot. Anyway, no water. Works on my machine. Nice. Definitely. I'm a full-time Vue dev. It's simpler. Yeah. As long as people follow proper architecture patterns. Yeah. Kettle? No. I mean the where you put your food to heat the food. I'm way too tired to find English words. After zooming in and the dragging is super fast, can we solve this? Oh, really? Zooming is too fast? Other people? Oh, resin. Yeah, that's it. That's what I was searching for. Resin. Oh, wait. Yes, it's resin. No, wait, it's something else. But still, yeah, resin is... oh, by the way, it's resin or resin? No, it's resin. Yeah, that's it. Microwave. Nope. The thing on which you boil water when you want to put pasta. To cook pasta. The drag, not the zoom. Oh, the drag is too sensitive. Oh, that's weird. I did something wrong then. Stovetop of Orange. I personally prefer React way more near JavaScript than Vue. Oh, really? Oh, that's surprising. A pan. Do we say a pan? A pot. Yeah, a pot. That's it. As a story with the elephant, I just have a bunch of PHP elephant. I don't know. I think I got one or two and then things went a bit crazy. And now I have a bunch. Oh, we need to be able to go higher. What's cool is that we can just change the max value. So this is the Y. We can just put, I don't know, like 6. And now we can go higher. Yeah. Yeah, I got one and I was like, oh, that's funny. Let's get more. And I remember I was working at Uzik, a French agency, and we were a lot of time just sending elephants through the room. I lowered the water boiling. Pot, cooking pot. Yeah, that's it. Sorry, I didn't saw your messages. Oh, no, actually, it just dragged, scrolled automatically. The thing above the monitor is transparent. Yeah, I messed up. That's my fault. I will fix that offline, I think. Because I need to rebake everything, so it will take 2 hours, something like that. Your light thing above the monitor is transparent. I know. I said Immersive Garden. I said it? Yeah. I think it was like the second one I said. We talk about make meeples, resin, active theory, Immersive Garden. And there is one more, but I forgot which one. I almost worked for them. No profanity. Yeah, it is a fucking pan. Kind of. After running, try to drag, it seems fast. Ah, it's fast because you're closer than the object, to the object. I don't think I would fix that. Maybe, I don't know. I will do some tests. See, now you're further away, so... maybe it makes sense. Yeah, maybe we can play on that. I will do some tests. It keeps scrolling. Definitely agree. I'm a full-time. Okay. Make a cook live. No, I won't. Read? What's read? Yes, we can fix it. MediaMonks. Yeah, that's a good one. Merci Michel. Yeah, they do great games too. Merci Michel is really good at making WebGL games. Real games. I mean, almost real games at least, but because WebGL is not really games, it's like small games. Super Cheesecake, yep, but not many projects. Dog Studios, that's it. That was the one I was looking for. Damn, you know your agency. Hey, love your portfolio, thank you. Found it like a year ago and was just impressed, love it. Yeah, thank you. Pan speed multiplayer depending on the zoom. Yeah, we can do that easily. I will stop coding right now. Wonderland, yeah. Read.be, Boy Studio, maybe one day. Bonhomme Paris too. Guys, Bonhomme Paris. Locomotive, kind of. I never seen Read. They're more into design, right? Branding, I guess. That's clean. That's super clean. The logo reminds me something. Diamonds, merci Michel, yes, you can fix. Alright, cool. Bon, je crois que c'est bon. I think we are done. Sorry, see, I'm speaking French, so it means we need to stop there. Let's finish that and do the giveaway. So if you guys want to win, do you have a word? You have a word? Oh, I know. No, I know. If you want a chance to win Three.js Journey, you have to put something in the chat. Is your code good for someone who has never coded? Depends on the code. I would say no. A bit too much. Still, it's not that complex. So if you want a chance to win the Three.js Journey course, so this course I created 40 hours of video to learn how to create this kind of thing. Actually, we do learn how to create this kind of thing. Not as complex, but still it's this same technique. You have to put in the chat pot, P-O-T. Let's go. I almost did cooking pot, but it's a bit too much. Let's go. And while you do that, and we get a lot of pot, the one for cooking, not something. On the portfolio page, I mean, can you tell me what is the secret rectangle when you go north? Can you tell me what is the secret rectangle? Ah, no, I won't tell. It's something is happening. So on my portfolio, something is happening, some weird rectangle, but you have to find it. It's a detail. You have to find it. You had Cheval de Troyes, but the studio
Pod.
Cheval de Troyes, I never heard of this one. Hey, again, time Gilb. GC Lusion. Oh, Lusion, obviously, thank you so much. Watson, yeah, great too. Jan 3, yup.
Pod.
GC, oh, that's a green chameleon, right? You guys know better than me, clearly. So we have a lot of pot. We can do a big party. No, let's not do this kind of joke. When I click something, change right. Oh, so when I click something, changes right. Yeah, that's it. Something is changing. You have to find it. And it's a detail. Alright, cool. Let's do the giveaway. No, while you guys are putting pot in the chat, I will prepare the giveaway. Just once, you guys will be blocked by the Nightbot if you put too much pot. Give me just 1 second. Girlfriend is getting hungry, so I need to hurry. Whoa. All right, let's go. Let's do the. Oh, where is Nightbot? Let's go. And congratulations to Fantastic Mr. Fitz. Fantastic Mr. Fitz, can you put something in the chat because I can't find you? I mean, it will be really hard to find you. Can I send you a whisper from that chat? Oh, actually, I can just do... No, that's not working. Whisper. No, I can't do whisper. I need to find a better way of doing that. Nightbot doesn't help a lot. Oh, you put something, but I didn't see. Fantastic. Ah, I got you. Nice. Whisper. And I've sent you the link. Congratulations. All right, that was cool. Do we have someone to raid? I don't do enough red. I mean, that's... I should do more. Who's online? Basti UI? Alright, let's red. Basti UI. Red. That was cool, everybody. I see you later. We are going to Red, French designer, super cool. He's doing great stuff. His streamer super nice. And I'll probably see you tomorrow. We will see. Unfortunately, I will be keeping Boy alone, I think. So we'll see how it goes. I mean, I think maybe not actually. Bye, everyone. See you probably tomorrow. And start the raid. Let's go. This time I'm doing it from the Twitch manager. Yeah, it's working. Bye bye.